Oh yes, beautiful Taco Tuesday today, guys. What's going on, everybody? Whoever's in the chat right now, we got Clay Bros, Wet Samsung. The sky is falling. Dude, the sky is not falling. Come on now, Chicken Little. What are you talking about? NT in the chat, big fat Call of Duty fanboy. 2 dislikes already. Come on, Clay Fud. That's what I'm talking about. 2 dislikes. What are you guys doing clicking that dislike button, man? It was probably you, big old fat Call of Duty fanboy, wasn't it? Holden, AMC is not a dead cat. Look at Robin Hood's stick. Stock. Ooh. Stock. Dude, I thought you were looking at Robin Hood's stick. I was like, that's after hours business over there, man. What are you talking about? Robin Hood's stick. Bought AMC late, so I'm feeling the pain. Holden. It's okay, dude. It's okay, because look, you bought it late. You're going to be, it's going to be like the people 6 months from now that are like, oh man, I wish I would have bought AMC, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, dude, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. Just remember how quickly it can go up. Turn off the noise if it's too stressful. Absolutely, Claybros, Wet Samsung, you already know what it is. When humans are fearful, apes are greedy. Carlos. Sounds like you have a very good investment strategy down, my man. Sorry, I didn't mean to be negative. Holden. I didn't think that was negative, dude. I think it was just like, yeah, you're just a little, little worried about something, but it's all right, dude. I didn't think it was negative. I don't know if anybody else thought it was negative, actually. All right, let's see. Can you guys guess? Anybody want to throw a guess out on which coffee cup we have today? If you do, get your guess out there right now. Okay, just bought more. Mr. R buying more like it doesn't even matter. That's what I'm talking about. And guys, let's just pull this up really quick. This is the chart we've got looking at, or that we're looking at today. All right, AMC falling. Yes, 5-minute chart. Here's the deal, though. 32.11? No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted 31. Like 31.15 was the previous low that it hit. All right, 31.15 is the previous low that we were looking at from, oh, I don't even know what it was. Last week, 2 weeks ago? Whenever it was. That's the number it bounced off last time, and that's the number that I would expect to show up as support if we continue to fall. So, not to say that it will go all the way down to $31 per share, but it does have that likelihood that it will go to... Oh, no, that's why I moved it back up. Let's look at that. So, this was the low from last time that it bounced off of. Right here, at 31.15, but I moved it back up to here because this was more of a sturdier intraday level of support. So, that's why I got it at 32. That's why. All right, now it makes sense. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. What we're looking at here. Alright, good deal. Now we got it set up. That's what we can see. If we continue to fall and look for a bounce. Robinhood up 17%, right? Almost 80% negative sentiment. And the board sold. If you don't like talking manipulation, but it's painfully obvious, bro. Yeah, dude, look. I don't think that you got Citadel going out and eating up all the shares of Robinhood. There are a lot of people who still use Robinhood, and when they see the stock dump after an IPO, they want to take advantage of that volatility and they want to try and buy it. Yo, Clay Bro, what is up? Morning, Clay Bro and fam. AMC Trapper in the house. What's going on, AMC Trapper? Just bought, but we'll be looking forward to another buy even lower. Ryan Williams is not afraid of the dips. Vish, yo, Clay, yo, Vish, what's going on? Cody says, Dear AMC, please stay low so I can make it to the bank this afternoon. Thank you. Cody, you will probably be able to make it to the bank, man. Nasty Investor, oh my gosh, I have not seen the Nasty Investor in quite some time. What's up, Nasty? How you doing? Very painful. It looks like apes moving to Hood. Find your gifts, dude. I don't think that apes are moving to Hood. There's probably a lot of retail investors going over to Robinhood, but, dude, apes would not be apes if they moved over to Hood. So, highly doubt that. But yeah, there's probably a lot of retail investors pouring a lot of money into Robinhood at this point. Can't believe it. They're ruining Turnaround Tuesday. How disrespectful. Dude, it's all right. We still got Taco Tuesday. If they ruin Turnaround Tuesday, we've still got Taco Tuesday. What's up, Clay Bro, Tato, Chip Bro? Oh my gosh, J Bones. I love it. And if anybody was concerned, Chipro did come in and get one. I don't understand if the dude is like, if he's full or what the deal is. If he needs to dig some more holes, but he came in for one mouthful of seeds today. I was worried since I hadn't seen him in like 3 days, but he did come in for one mouthful of seeds today, and I'm happy about that because I was worried that I hadn't seen him in a while. was like 3 days since I saw him. That was a long time. It's going sub 30 today. Diffie dog. It's got to break through 31 if we're going sub 30 today. We've got to break through 31, and at least 31 is a level of support. So let's talk about that. If we do fall below $30 per share, let's get rid of that. If we do fall below $30 per share, this range right here, okay, this proved to be a decent level of support. Okay, now doesn't mean that we can't continue this downtrend and fall even lower. If we do, however, because of this run up here, all right, because of such a drastic run up that we had when we went from $12 to $72, it's gonna be tough to find some support. All right, so if we do break through 30, I don't want to say that I'm nervous, but if we do break through 30, it's going to be tough to find some support. You'd have to go almost intraday. We did have some intraday, I don't know, I think it was on a Friday, where it was hanging out around $26 per share. So 26 could prove to be a level of support, but because of such the fast run up, if you are looking at technical analysis patterns, it may be difficult to find support in the 20s unless you break it down into an intraday range. So keep that in mind. And I'm still looking for a bounce off the $30 to $31 range, maybe 32. I got the number at 30. I got the line at 32. This is brutal. We've not had a good week in straight 2 months. I'm getting frustrated. Antics the legend. It's part of the game, man. It's part of the game. That's why almost anybody that you're gonna listen to talk about the stock market or talk about trading or investing, they're going to tell you, don't let your emotions get the best of you. You cannot bring your emotions into investing. And it's true, man. It's true. It does feel good to make a lot of money. And I guess that would trigger your emotions into wanting to do that again and wanting to make more money. But when you let your emotions come in, when you can't detach yourself from the numbers, when they just become numbers, man, if it's just a profit and loss, and that's all it is to you, it's not some emotional buildup of happiness or despair or whatever, you become a dangerous investor because it's just numbers, man. You're sitting there. If it goes down, you have your plan, and you have your plan for a reason. So you trust your plan and you move on with your plan. And dude, you become a money-making machine when you don't allow your emotions to cause you to do stuff that your plan would not let you do. Imagine if Adam Aaron sold all his shares. The Robinhood CEO sells his shares and it rockets, and they have about 80% negative retail sentiment. Brian, if Adam, I don't care if Adam Aaron sells his shares. I honestly don't. I want you and I to own all the shares. I don't care if every institutional investor sells their shares of AMC, if every inside trader or insider, I guess you would say, sells their shares. I want the people who are here for the short squeeze, not the people here to day trade, not the people who heard their brother talking about AMC, so they jump in. I want you and I, the people who are here for the day trade, to make all of the money. Or no, you and I who are here for the short squeeze, to make all of the money on AMC. I don't care if anybody else makes a single penny on it. Clay bro, what it do? Dro man, what it do, man? How you doing? The FUD is annoying on red days. It absolutely is. Good morning, Clay. Moo too. Good morning to you. Be legend. Buy. What is this? I guess I'm on my computer now. Buy and hold. Simple as that. It really is as simple as that, man. It really is. You buy, you hold, we win. Just another 50 shares. Nice. Moo too. Absolutely no negative emotions. Money and emotions do not mix. Yeah, dude, when you start to allow money and emotions to mix, you might do some crazy things that your plan would not otherwise condone. Just grab another 100 shares on discount. FPA Crypto Kai, I love it. Matthew says, I'm glad at a time like this that you guys are still doing what you're doing because it makes most of us feel confident the squeeze will happen most likely when it drops lower and everyone buys. Matthew, yes, here's the only thing that I want to say about that. Okay? The price dropping lower, I do not want this to happen again. Now, yes, it might be nice to see a run up. Price drops low, everybody gets excited again, and we potentially see a run up like we had here. But the people who bought on here are not truly in it for a short squeeze. These are the people, if you're buying here as it's running up, You're trying to take advantage of a momentum play. And what happens when it stalls out? All of these guys here get bored. They get sad. They get scared. And then they decide to trickle off. Okay? I would rather just see it steadily move up, or I would rather just see it just bust and squeeze one day, and the people who are trying to time the squeeze don't get to take advantage of it, and they lose out. I would rather see that than just go down so we get some more FOMO buyers to jump on. Clay, bro, this the lower volume we talked about? Definitely not, dude. We're still way higher than I want to see. I see turnover is only 5% from 11% last week. Does that mean the shares are getting harder to find and the hedgies flipping less share to each other? Yeah, so look, dude, it depends. If the turnover is lowering, yes, you're on the right track with that. But lower volume, man, knowing that there's roughly 70 to 80 million shares being reported is short right now, I want days to cover to be insanely high. And volume at 30 million shares within the morning, we're going to end somewhere probably around 40, 50 million shares being traded on the day. I still do not think that is low volume. I want to see zero. I mean, ideally, I want to see zero volume being traded. That means that everybody's actually willing to hold the stock. That's proof that people are not willing to sell the stock. I understand there's institutional investors out there that are selling it, right? But I'm talking ideal. So ideally, I would like to see zero. Mr. Normus, thank you for the super chat. Mr. Normus says, leaving for vacation to Lake George, New York. Really? Okay, never been there today. Have a good rest of the week, my friends. Don't let today stress you out. This is all a part of the... Dude, guys, listen to Mr. Normus on that one. This is a part of their game. They know. They've been in the game, guys. They're veterans. They know and don't care about intraday price movement, about volatility, about red days, about green days. They really do not care about red days or green days. Hedge funds make the majority of their money just taking a percentage of the principal that their clients have invested. They do make money if the fund makes money, yes, but they make the majority of the money just on the fact that people invest with them. So they make money either way. Now, with that being known, it's very easy not to care about red days if they make money regardless. So keep that in mind, that they are not panicking. And if your enemy is not panicking and you are panicking, recipe for disaster. So Mr. Normus, thank you for the super chat, and absolutely remind everybody that the hedge funds are not panicking, so we also must not panic. My first day here. Love, love, love this vibe. Casey Lou, how is this your first day here? Thank you very much for making it your first day here. Thank you very much for letting me know it's your first day here. And I think you're going to enjoy it. I do. We won't go below 30. Luca! Yeah, man, I'm hoping we see the support around the 30 to 31 to $32 range. Spider-Man. J-Man, you guessed late, dude. Come on. What's up, Clay? Welcome, Casey. Absolutely. Casey, if it's your first day here, guys, throw out a little welcome to Casey. I know she didn't become a bro or join or anything. And Casey, if this is your first day here and you want to click that subscribe button, your name's going to go up on top of the screen right now. But yes, thank you very much for letting us know. Bro, can you check Ortex? I don't subscribe to Ortex, Muto, so I can't check Ortex data. The last, there was only 100,000 shares left to borrow. How come the million shares available to borrow? Oh, no. Dude, I just read two different guys' comments in the same one. 100,000. How come they are shorting us? So how come they're shorting us? Mutu, listen, man. There's always going to be shares to borrow. Someone will always be lending them shares to borrow. I wouldn't get so caught up in the fact that shares to borrow are lower. If shares to borrow were actually that low and utilization was actually that high, we would have a cost to borrow much above 1% or wherever we're at. Welcome, Casey. Yes. Should I pay off my credit card or buy more shares? Cognitive. That's up to you, man. I'm of the mindset that it's better to be debt free, but I'm also of the mindset that if your credit card is gonna charge you 26% interest, but you're gonna make more than 26% on AMC, you have to arbitrage the difference there, man, and make more. But that's up to you. I can't tell you which one to do or not, but you will feel better. Will feel better if you don't have any debt. Clay, bro, can you address the elephant in the room? There's a video circulating of you on Reddit. Okay, sweet. I did not know that. That was not an elephant. If I didn't know about it, I guess. Video circulating of me on Reddit. That's interesting. Asking for paying in Bitcoin from hedge funds to continue working for them. What is that all about, Rob? I have no idea, man. Is it Send me the video. I want to watch it. Is it actually a good one? Is it a good one? If they... Is it of me? Was it during a live stream? Because yes, if there's a hedge fund out there that wants to give me all of their Bitcoin, I will take all of their Bitcoin from them. But you can clip that one and circulate it too. But yeah, man, send me the video. I want to watch it. Should I buy now or is it going lower? Jennifer, this is the support we're watching, Jennifer. We're watching $31 to $32 right now to see if we hold that level of support that we've got at this this recent low here. Okay, we're going to try and see if this holds up right now. So if you're looking to add more positions, this is the support we've got. This red line right here. It's more of a range, okay, because we did tip down to here and bounce back up. So $31 to $32 is a decent support range that you should watch out for. J-Man, thank you for the banana. And you guys already know what it is. If you want to watch me eat a banana, go to last Friday's video. But, that's good. Delicious banana, man. That's actually better than the one I ate in the video last time. AMC Trapper loves that banana. Mr. Trapper loves the banana. Oh my goodness. White Hood Ribbon, AMC diving, getting old. Maybe Hood will trade for my AMC shares. Dale, you're gonna trade your AMC shares for Hood? I don't know if I would condone that activity, but man, you do you, right? If we can put cameras on ours, why can't we track every single available share of a company with 100% certainty? JR, we can, man. Junior M. We can, dude. People, here's the deal. People think, and people don't even think. People want there to be, and I don't know where it started, okay? And this is not, like, Trey does good work, right? But I would say, I don't know, it was still cold out, so I forget what time it was. It was either March or April. Trey started talking about a ton of synthetic shares based on something. I forget the video, but he was writing on his whiteboard. And I don't know if that was the first talk or first mention of potentially a billion synthetic shares out there, but people ran with that. So they want there to be just a ton of synthetic shares out there. So they're going to fit the narrative to show any way possible that there are billions of synthetic shares out there. However, man, the brokers do know, the SEC does know how many shares are out there. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. What Rudy said, everyone go to Adam Aaron's Twitter, click on the link he sent 2 days ago, get your shares verified, and go vote. Yes, there's good questions on there, guys. So if you want to go check out those questions that they're going to ask during the earnings call, absolutely. Go do what Rudy said. Go check out Adam Aaron's tweet and do that. And with that being said, I would go directly to Adam Aaron's tweet. I know that Matt Kors tweeted it out, and I have no problem, like, doing that, but if you see some random people tweeting links, and even if those links look legit, just please go to Adam Aaron's Twitter. I wouldn't go to a random Twitter or some idiot on Twitter that just has... Don't do that. Just go to Adam Aaron's Twitter, and don't log in with your password on any random, even if it looks like the exact same website that everybody else is showing on their live streams and on their videos. Just just go to Adam Aaron's Twitter strictly. You don't want to log in with your password or anything else on anybody else's Twitter link. Market Combat Ape Nation closed out yesterday, buying more bananas on the dip. Can't wait to see them grow. Ooh, dude, I can't wait to see the bananas grow either, if you know what I mean. Can't wait for them for payday to buy another bushel. I love it, Frank. I love it, man. What Rudy said, yes. Smash the like. We need to spread this vibe like wildfire. Casey, thank you very much. Smash that like button, guys. Hedges will never cover their short positions. They don't have to. Carl, they don't, listen, they do eventually have to cover their short positions. It's like if I loan you something, man. If I loan you my lawnmower and I need to cut my lawn, I'm going to ask for it back, right? Or if I see you out in your yard running over rocks, I'm going to go ask for it back. If you're mowing your lawn and very risky behavior, I'm going to ask for that back. And yes, they will have to give their short shares back unless AMC goes bankrupt. So... And AMC is not anywhere near bankruptcy. So, yes, at some point in time, they will have to give those shares back. Clay, the video of you on Reddit is funny. NT, you've seen it? Dang it, man. How? Oh, I'm probably the only one that hasn't seen it. Because I don't understand why Reddit has such a problem with me. I really don't. like I promise you, I don't get messages all day until I go live, and then my family's like, "Oh, Clay's live. Let's go send him messages all day long." Gosh, don't you guys get notifications that I'm live? Like, take me out of the group chat. I got some shares from Cash App just for the fun of it. If I got an email invitation for that AMC meeting, what it means that my shares are legit. Yeah, Pajas. Pajas. Is that how you say your name, Pajas? Yeah, and I would assume that you had those shares before June 2nd. Y'all are crazy. Buying this dip, sub 22 is the value price point. Limit the damage. If you decided to consolidate at plus 40, look at the flatline trend over 10 years in pre-COVID. Divvy Dog, yeah, man, if you're going sub 22, that's still decent, man, because you remember, and I don't know how long you've been in the game, but remember, $14.50 to that $20 range was very significant, okay? And that $20 range does provide a decent level of support as well, because that was a previous high that we hit back at the end of January. So if you're of the belief that we're gonna drop back down that far, then absolutely, man. Clay Broski, this bud's for you. Bud, what bud? What bud, dude? That looks like a lemonade to me. Also, like in the line, do another one for a boom boom. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Except we gotta zoom in. We gotta get another line in here and zoom in a little bit. Pull that bad boy up. This is the support line for today, guys. All right, so that's what we're looking out for. That's what we're looking out for. Ooh, this is nice. Yes, this is a good line opportunity right here. Sweet. Let's get this bad boy going. We can do it right here. Yup. That's what we're rolling with. This is the trend line reversal for Turnaround Tuesday. Click on this. Cool. I like it, ladies and gentlemen. That trend line is going to hold up the rest of the day. If you don't believe me, get out now, man, because you're about to see history in the making. There's a few Claybro posts on Reddit. Cognitive, I'm sure there are. Reddit does. I don't understand why. If you have been posted on Reddit before, because look, I know Vigilante, aka Oil Tipped. He's probably listening right now. I don't see him in the chat at the moment, but Oil Tipped saw me on Reddit, and he came in hot, but now we're bros, dude. We're bros now. And for some reason, Reddit doesn't like me. I don't know why, but Reddit, like, just be friends, man. Let's just be friends. The price keeps falling, man. Not feeling so good, but holding. Santa Suba. It's going to go up now because we put the yellow line on there. So it's going to go up. You're going to feel good. Always. That's what I'm talking about. Oil Tipped is always listening. We're bros now, right? Or am I just making that up? Making a fool out of myself in front of everybody here. It's you telling hedge funds that you will take Bitcoin payment to keep doing what you were doing as a joke. Gotcha. And I will, dude. I will. And I understand that a lot of people don't like the fact that I tell you what you should hear instead of what you want to hear. But I will absolutely take payment in Bitcoin to continue doing what I'm doing. Thank you very much, NT, for explaining what it was. I do remember saying that now, so yes. And I will absolutely take Bitcoin payment to do what I'm continue doing what I'm doing. And they're using it as seriously asking for money. Oh, well, shoot. I am seriously asking for money from the hedge funds. If they want to sponsor the videos to have me continue doing what I am doing, I will gladly take payment from the hedge funds in the form of US dollars, I don't know, Brazilian reals. What else you got? Euros. I'm down for the euro. Canadian dollars, Australian dollars. I take yen, Bitcoin. Dude, I'll even take Dogecoin. I don't even care, man. I'm up 270% still. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, Oil Tipped. Clay, why U.S. stock market is so corrupt? Ishan, I've been thinking about that a lot lately. And personally, I don't think the U.S. stock market is that corrupt, okay? I understand that a lot of people, when stuff doesn't go their way, the first thing that they want to do is blame somebody. So, first thing they do, corruption, right? Now, listen, if you are of the mindset, I got a brilliant strategy for you right here, right? If you are of the mindset that the market is so corrupt because of the hedge funds that no matter what the hedge funds do, the positions will, their positions are going to go up and they're going to make money, just go buy what the hedge funds are buying, man. Or have a mutual fund invest your money for you. Have an institution invest your money for you. If that's what if you are like dead set on the fact that institutions can't lose money, just let the institutions run your money, man. Or you do it. Look at their positions. Like, go look at the 13F. Look at all their positions and buy what they're buying. They don't always win, man. They don't. Clay, don't give them clips to use. AMC trap, but it is true though. It is true. If the hedge funds want to pay me to continue doing what I am doing, I will. Dude, I have no problem with it. If they want to continue, if they want to come in here and send super chats, I'll even accept super chats from the hedge funds. Let's go. I'm up a more modest 140% after averaging up. It's a modest 140%. Brett, here's the deal, man. 140%, dude, that's like a lifetime gain for a hedge fund. 140% is a lifetime gain for a hedge fund. So you've already done better than the hedge funds will do at least over the next 10 years, man. At least over the next 10. You've done at least 10 years worth of gains for a hedge fund. So you are killing it, Brett, with your modest little 140% gain, my man. Oh, man. It's all good in the hood. It is all good, Smurf. You were doing good. I'll even take Dogecoin. That's going to be the future dollar bill. Jaga. I'll even take it, man. Spanish doubloon. Dude, if anybody's got some, like, old gold coins, I will take those as well. Has anybody ever gone to the beach and you just wished that you would just reach down in the sand, man? You're just diving down there or just digging around in the sand. Instead of finding a little sand dollar, you find, like, just this shiny, not an old cruddy one that's got, like, I don't know, barnacles and stuff on it, which would probably be more realistic, but it's just a shiny Spanish doubloon, man. Sacre bleu, a Spanish doubloon. And you make it into a necklace and then wear it the rest of your life. You got, like, pirate treasure that hang around your neck. I've always thought that every time I go to the beach. No scammers will use it. No scammers will use, the videos or something. I don't even know. Clay, is your hair having a red day too like AMC? Looks like it's drooping. Taco stocks, man. We can fix that right now, my friend. Right now. Hair don't droop. What are you talking about? Hi, Clay. AMC down? I don't care. I am not leaving until shorts have covered. Shorts must cover it. I am still here no matter how long it takes. I am holding Aria. I like it. That is my sentiment as well. Up 245% since January. Happy with the progress. Can't wait for more to come. Jacob, absolutely. 245% on one stock. Think about that, guys. Do you take food stamps? I will not accept food stamps from the hedge funds. No, but the hedge funds will probably be on food stamps eventually. Silence the phone. Nick F says silence the phone. You know what that means, guys. If we're getting yelled at by Nick F this early in the game, we better silence the phone. And it is silenced right now. So, Nick F, that one is for you, man. We are back in action with a silenced phone. Yes, there we go. Good deal. Hey, Clay, average day shorts have been holding. We are going up soon. Michelle, I was in Course's live stream earlier, and he said 41 was the average days that shorts have been holding. Clay, just got back from the beach. Show us the... dude, I did not get one, man. It's just my life's goal to get one of those, and I've yet to find one. So one day I will find a gold coin when I go to the beach. I know I will. Jake and Hate Neverland Pirates Gold. Jake and HTE Neverland Pirates. And I don't even know. Is it a dude? Like, what are we talking about here? I don't even know. We talking about Outer Banks? I've only watched the first episode of the second season. So if that's what we're talking about, then no, I've not seen it. North Carolina Beach, too. Lots of pirates in North Carolina back in the day. I know, Brett, but I have yet to find anything, man. It's killing me. Citadel's probably buying Robinhood stocks to own them. King Jesus paid for sins. Yes, it's a very high likelihood that they are. We will find out the next time they let us know what their positions are. Divvy Dog, it's true. His dad runs a hedge fund, but Clay is 15 in his rebellious phase. It is true, man. Have you ever seen another 15-year-old with a neck beard like that? No, you haven't. Because my dad paid for implants. Made me look a little bit older. But guess what? It worked. Neckbeard makes you look older. So I say go for it. Is a kid's cartoon. It's a kid's cartoon. Oh, Jake and the Pirate. Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Gosh, dude. Now I know. Jake and the Never... Okay. I've never seen an episode of Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Jacob has, but I've never seen that. I'm pretty sure Jacob and Nick just became best friends. Red or green, I have my mindset for AMC Life Change Money Financial Freedom. AMC one, the only AMC, and hold the line. That is exactly what the plan is. Smash the like button for Claybro, be legend. Thank you very much. Do you think the hedge funds are shorting heavily before earnings call to scare paper hands because we might report a profit, which will bring the share price up substantially? Lex, listen, possibly, man, but I also do not think. Here's my thought on that one. Would it make sense? And let's go big screen. Would it make sense if AMC is so far overpriced right now, like $33, whatever it's at? AMC's not worth $33 based on its current revenue and its current balance sheet. So even if they did post a very juicy profit, would that increase the price? Maybe it could. I would think that a nice profit is going to be more suitable for fundamental investors who are investing in the underlying business, but I don't think that we are necessarily investing in the underlying business at this point. So although, yes, a nice earnings report could prove some decent price action, but I'm not fully committed to saying that a strong earnings report, which I do believe we will see, and I do believe that we're going to see a lot of good, optimistic comments come from Adam Aron during the earnings call, but I don't know if it's going to cause like new retail buyers or new institutional buyers to jump on the stock strictly based on the fact that the current price is still overvalued. They didn't sell? Absolutely. Adma. What's going on, Adma? I had a feeling we'd come down to 32 as we approach earnings. Irving, your feeling is coming to fruition, my man. I'm still asleep, but diamond hands. Now, y'all, you know what it is. I don't think we'll bounce right after earnings, but maybe a week or two afterwards. Possibly Irving. Rick Lee, that's your panty value? What are we talking about, Rick Lee? AMC real value, $1.99. $1.99. $1.99 would make AMC a $1 billion company, okay? And a $1 billion company that's $6 billion in debt with very low revenue. I mean, I'm not going to say that it's worth $1.99 but if you're basing it on fundamentals, I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's not worth $30, I can tell you that. Clay Bro, JT Wisco, what is going on? New YouTube account, Clay's Neckbeard, IMAX. Those are, what do you call them? Hair plugs on the neck. What I should really do is just connect the whole collar is what I should really do. Get that whole thing going. You guys are going to be truly impressed. Hey, Clay, I down a lot, but I'm holding strong just like my name. Holden is Holden, ladies and gentlemen. Sup, bro? Need some good vibes. Hate red days. Trevor. I also hate red days, but at the same time, I have no intention of selling the stock until the squeeze, so the red days don't really bother me that much. But I don't like them, man. I always want to see more and more money, but I don't know. I'd prefer green days, but I don't really. Red days don't make me sad. That's how you show a loss for tax purposes and maintain your share count. Mel said something good, apparently. What if I sell my stocks? I bought at 50 and buy again. Yeah, but showing a loss for your tax purposes and then doing that, if you did do that, the wash sale rule says you have to wait at least 31 days before you buy back in. So if you are trying to do it for tax purposes, you need to look up the wash sale rule because you can't just take a loss and buy right back in, or they won't let you take those losses. I think we'll close green on the day. Rudy, I like it, man. Victoria's Secrets is running today. Tell Natalie. Ooh, Natalie, if you're in here. Victoria's Secrets is running today. Could you say that you think this squeeze would happen before the year or after? Jacob, man, I know we have a lot of things to line up and have fall into place before the squeeze happens, but yeah, it could happen. It could happen this year. It could also happen after the year. It just depends on how long it takes people to actually do what they say they're going to do. All the true value or price of a stock talk gets crazy. Stocks, unless in it for the dividends, are like comic books or baseball cards. They are worth what people are willing to pay for them. Yeah, Bear, definitely. I mean, you're talking about the market value of the stock as opposed to the book value of the stock, book value of AMC would be drastically lower than market value. And currently, AMC is worth $33 per share market value. Book value, worth less than $33 per share. But you are correct, man. If you're looking at market value, it is definitely worth $33.26 per share. Watch you gain nothing. Check it out before you sell and rebuy. Jagga, yes, absolutely do that. Not on crypto. No watch sell rule on crypto is what I think Nick is talking about there. If they believe we are willing to take this trade all the way to the end, knowing there's only 15% short interest, then we win. We should stop focusing and rely. Yeah, if we believe that, then we win. They don't believe that, though, Nick. The hedge funds don't believe that we're going to do what we say that we're going to do. Grandpa Barney with the super chat. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. Grandpa Barney in the house. Bought more just now. I'm not scared, ladies and gentlemen. Grandpa Barney plays crypto. There is nothing. This is nothing. Love you, little brother. Peace to my ape family. Breathe, family. Breathe. That was actually a very relaxing breath that I just took there, especially after screaming Grandpa Barney's super chat. It was actually a very refreshing breath. If I pass out, it's because I exhaled a lot and then had a very nice breath. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much. I appreciate the super chat. And yes, if you are used to trading crypto, my goodness, this is not even volatility. This is just like laughing. You're laughing at the volatility on AMC right now because if you're used to crypto, you're used to anything. Volkswagen 2008 squeeze is scarily similar to AMC. History repeating itself. Hey, man, I don't know. Possibly, but I hope that AMC squeezes higher than Volkswagen did because Volkswagen went from $400 to, or 400 euro to 1,000 euros. So I think I would hope to see more than a 5x price increase during the AMC stock squeeze. Thanks for responding to my email, Clay. M. James, I didn't even see an email, man. I didn't respond if you sent me an email because I didn't even see one. So that was like somebody else. You might have emailed someone. You might have emailed Claybro884. Xiao Xiao. Xiao Xiao. Bye bye bye. Yes, you sound like Kramer. Bye bye bye. Or you sound like NSYNC. It ain't no lie, AMC. Bye 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 bye. On today's episode of Unsolved Mysteries, why is Ken Griffin such a ding-dong? We will find out. Stay tuned. Coming to you after the break. I hear Buffalo Bills are threatening to move to Austin if taxpayers don't pay $1 billion for a new stadium. Looking forward to the mother of all short squeeze tax going to subpar football. Dang, dude. But aren't you going to... Are you moving to Colorado with M. James and you're buying the mountain next to his and seeing who can build a bigger pyramid? So I wouldn't worry too much about Austin taxes because you're going to be living in that pyramid on your pyramid compound on the mountainside in Colorado. Low volume today, Rob. I want lower. Just transferred my Robinhood shares to Webull. AMC Life. Very nice. Yes. It ain't no lie. AMC's going to squeeze. Baby, bye, bye, bye. Di xiao xiao. Yes, it will. Baby, bye, 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 man. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Yes. Good morning. Sean says, good morning. Well, this price sucks. Lucky for me, I've seen the stock go up $10 in a day. Time to go buy more. Sean, if it's time to go buy more, man. And hopefully it goes up $10 today or tomorrow. I would love that. That's true. We'll build our own stadium. We will build our own stadium, Brett. Am I invited? I can't play football, but am I invited? I want to kiss Kenny G. I want to kiss Ken G for giving me round 2 on AMC. Di xiao xiao. I dare you to mail him a letter with a lip print on it. I think he would like that. I sold my soul for AMC. Oil tipped. Now. Trying to mess with our hearts, aren't you? I know. Holy smoke, I tried to buy more AMC on Robinhood and it won't let me. Now, y'all. Really? Do you not have enough money in your account? I've got a question. I've got an answer, Rotary. What is it? How's your technical analysis, Clay? Are we at support here? Mr. Levitz. Yeah, so look, dude, we drew the yellow line on the chart because if you draw it, it will follow. And we wanted it to go up, so that's why we got the yellow line on the chart. But yeah, support is actually... I got support. Support's more of a range at this point, man. $31 to $32. So we got it right here at the previous low that it bounced off of. So that's what we got going on right now. 32 is support. We didn't quite reach it yet, so hopefully the yellow line that we drew holds up, man. $10. I want $900. Let's do it, Chris. Everyone's grandma in the late 80s wanted to kiss Kenny G too. Yes, my grandma probably did. did. Welcome to the Thunderdome AMC Theater. I like it, Irving. Thank you. No. Fist. Oh, man, we gotta go big. Fist. Bump. Fist. Bump. Fist. Bump. D-R-N-O. Thank you, DRNO, for the super sticker. I appreciate that. Fist bump to you, my man. I appreciate all super stickers, especially the ones that are fun, like the fist bump. Keep on dropping so I can buy more. Rick Lee wants to get another discount. What's going on with AMC today? Pokey Prodigy. AMC's going down, man. We're going to possibly test support at $32 per share. $52 per share. Man, wouldn't you like to test support at $52 per share right now? Unfortunately, it's $32 per share. What up? Hey, Moon Cinema, how are you doing, Poker Prodigy? The usual. Shorts, shorting, apes, buying. That is exactly what is going on with AMC right now. Kelby Covington, your Utah best friend here with my daily super chat. Not a Mormon. Thank you very much for clarifying the fact that you are not a Mormon living in Utah right now. It is definitely my Utah best friend. Kelby, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. We are still best friends. Shoot. We are still best friends. Thank you very much, Kelby. I appreciate the super chat, my man. What do we got here? How much do you trust Ortex data? Super Steven, about as far as I can throw it. Clay, bro, we need a green day to keep people's confidence in this thing. Elusive. Yeah, I would agree. We do need some green days here to lift people's spirits, but I'm okay with red days too, man. I'm okay with red days. As long as the hedge funds aren't covering, I don't really care if the paper hands bleed out and they fall off and whatever. I'm in this for the short squeeze only, and we cannot have a short squeeze with retail investors willing to sell the stock. Clay, what's your plan after the squeeze? I don't have a plan after the squeeze, man. I don't have one. I guess we'll just have to take it one day at a time. So, you don't like condos. I think I like condos. So, like, it's a vacation in? Maybe? Patty, what's going on, Patty? Morning, Clay and the Apes. I want to thank the Hedgies for the nice dip this morning. I now have 1,000 AMC. Very nice, Patty. I love it. Gonna have to wait until after earnings. Gonna have to wait, Irving. This is the death rattle before one hedge fund gives in and causes the domino effect. This is the rattle, baby. You've heard about the battle. This is the rattle. But do you like... What is a mondo? Condos, mondos. I feel like I'm losing something. Penis. Still about 6. I don't know, roughly 19 inches from the camera right now. Penis. Have you ever seen Dave Chappelle around town? I have not, Irving. I've never seen Dave Chappelle. No. Oh, now I understand with the condos thing. That's what we're talking about now. Okay. Mandalorian. Okay, no, I'm actually not a Star Wars fan. You guys might hate me for that, but I've only seen... what's the last Star Wars I watched? It was a long time ago, man. What was the one with Darth Maul? The red dude that looked like a devil. What was that one? That's the last one I watched. Yes, really, dude. No joke. I tried to buy 5,000. What did it say? What did it say? Now, y'all. What did it say? Would you buy a call on AMC? I wouldn't have a problem buying a call on AMC. I would make sure that we're bouncing and trending higher though when I go to buy it. Dave Chappelle is Chip Bro. It's an elaborate bit. It is a very elaborate bit. I don't understand how Brett catches on to everything that I've got going on. It's crazy. When we are done here, we will move to the family, to the next one. Do good things with what you are blessed with. Grandpa Barney, yes, man, absolutely. I don't like Star Wars either. Del Toro. It's not that I don't like it. I just never watched it. Clay, say hi, Jennifer. Hi, Jennifer. What's up, Jennifer? How you doing? Denny said, tell me to tell you. Have a great day. AMC will be $20 tomorrow. Mega Shanes. If it is, guess what? People are going to be buying even more. I love the candles that are working so hard to stay on Clay's line. Pringleton. They do the best that they can. They really do. I'm telling you, man. It's magic. It's a magic line. I'm tired of these 30s. I miss the 40s. I miss the 50s, Sinister. I'll bet you one AMC share that we don't hit 20 tomorrow. I like it, oil tipped. I like it. Brett, Texas, thank you for the super chat. Brett says, here's some money. Go and see a Star War. I will go watch a Star War tonight. Cloudless night. I will walk outside onto the patio, and I will look up in the sky, and I will see two stars warring, and I will think, man, I really hope that Brett is staring up at these same two stars that are warring right now, and we're thinking about each other. And then I will come back inside and go to sleep. Thanks, Brett. Thank you, Brett. Yes, absolutely. Victoria's Secret gets to 65 today. I'm selling. I'll use half to buy my wife's lingerie and the other half to buy this dip in AMC. Claude. Dude, that's what I'm talking about, man. Claude's going to have a Claude's going to have a good week. Claude's going to have a very good week. Clay, bro. You looks better than Peter Parker. Ishan Aurora. Thank you very much. But how do you know I'm not Peter Parker? That is the real question. First impulse buy before reinvesting after the squeeze and go. Ooh. I'm going to be 100% honest, dude. I really don't have any impulse buys. It's probably my downfall, but I don't have any impulse buys. Like, I don't, man. I can walk through the checkout line at the store, all that candy sitting there, nothing. Those magazines that say aliens are real, nothing. Headphones, those $8.99 AirPods that they got there, nothing. Impulse buys, man, doesn't happen. Clay, bro, what's your take on... I don't really have one, becoming debt-free. I really don't. If you like it, I'm cool with it. Mike likes Hood. Go buy Hood because Mike says go buy Hood. Do you have any GME? Tony, I do not have any GME in my portfolio. I don't. I have no problem with buying GameStop, but I don't have any. Manned drone. Jacob is on for the manned drone. Aliens not real? Dude, I don't know if they're real or not, man. Wow, a green candle. Get on the Hood rocket. Let's go. Green candle. Come on now. Mega Shanes is pumping Hood too. All right. Grab 5 GME, bro. Why 5, Tony? Why should I grab 5 GME? Should I grab 5 GME? Should I do it? Like, should I do it right now? What's GME at? I guess it's probably... I probably have it up here on this one. Yeah, 150. GME at 150. Look at this, man. You can't even see AMC when you got GME up. Hey, man. Stepbrother and stepsister right here, man. I'm telling you. They move in tandem, don't they? 150. Huh. Interesting. Somebody tells me I should buy GME. Is that financial advice? Because maybe I'll take it. Maybe I'll take it. Just so when people ask me if I have GME, I can tell them yes. Hood equals a big old eggplant. It's good, dude. Big old eggplants are good, right? Hindus. Gods are all aliens. Ishan could be a good theory there. S&P 500 just woke up like a rocket launch. Let's do it, man. Rocket about to launch the S&P 500 to the moon. Grab some GME. Do it. Because we're built different, baby. Because we're built different. Trying to help, bro. It's low. It is low. It's at 150. You trying to help GME or are you trying to help me? Tony, be honest with me, man. Trying to help GME, you get buying pressure to go up higher, or are you trying to help me? Hope you're trying to help me. Dude, I'm not kidding. I tried to buy AMC, but Robinhood won't let me. My app is frozen. It says, error account cannot train that instrument. That's a very weird error, dude. That is a very... Anybody else experiencing the Robinhood error that says we cannot train that instrument? Interesting. Somebody let me know. What's up, Clay, bro? I'm ready for AMC to go to the moon. Just about 10 more today. He just got 10 more today. Gary, very nice. Jimmy or AMC, we are all apes. Absolutely. Hood. Agent Jackson's aliens or demons. Peace out. I bought a few calls when the price was at $32.90, hoping these will print a little by tomorrow so I can buy some extra, buy on the next dip. Sinister. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, if we get a nice bounce and you get them at $32.90, I think you can make some money on that one. Absolutely, King Jesus. Goodbye, Sinister. I would say it's a goodbye, dude. If we continue to move higher, I think you're gonna be making some money on those. How many shares of AMC do you have, Clay? I forget, Mike. I forget. At this point, man, I forget how many shares I got, dude. It's been so long. It's been so long. I forget how far deep in the game I am. I'm not selling under 10,000 people. That's life-changing money. Everyone was talking about last week. It's only getting bigger and better. Hold AMC. Jaga on the 10,000 train. I like it, Jaga. Hopefully we make it to 10,000. Breaking news, the ape father got arrested. Come on, Scorpion. I highly doubt the ape father got arrested. I'll train their instrument. J-Bones will train their instrument. I like it. What does that even mean? Somebody go look that up on Urban Dictionary, because training their instrument has to mean something. That's what she said. I love it, Ice Cream. I love it. I just bought 2 shares of AMC on Robinhood. His profile jacked. Well, we got some people buying. We got some people not able to buy. I don't know what's going on. Why aren't we trading? I made money today, Savo and BTPT. What do you mean, why aren't we trading? Jit, New York City. What do you mean, why aren't we trading? I don't understand. Clay personally has 514 million shares, so we know synthetics are out there. Brett caught on to me. Dang it, man. 500. Could you imagine if I had 514 million shares of AMC, though? Could you just imagine? I mean, I guess it would be possible. It would be possible if I was like some unknown billionaire and at $1.90. That amount of shares didn't even exist at $1.90. At $1.90, I came in and put in an order for 514 million shares. I dropped $1 billion on AMC, and that would just be so nice. That would be so nice. I'm thinking about that right now. I should have done it. You think anybody would have loaned me $1 billion? Because I don't have $1 billion. I'm gonna be honest with everything. Like, full disclosure, I do not have $1 billion. I'm just letting everybody out there know right now that I don't have $1 billion. But I do. I might have 514 million shares of AMC. The money ain't yours until you cash out, ladies and gentlemen. Christine, you are awesome. Man, Christine is awesome. Where's Christine? I didn't even see. Can I ask how old you are? Asking for a friend. SM White. I'm pretty sure I'm 32. Ask my mom, though. She would remember better than I would. From $43. Jennifer, something from $43. I got to catch back up. My average is 41 from 43. Nice, Jennifer. The Dirty Lou of Maine has diamond hands. Dirty Lou, very nice. Christine is awesome, but I did not see what Christine has to say. Christine, jump back in the chat right now. SP surging upward. I love it, Denny. My average is 10.79. Oil tipped is killing it. I'm at 297. Del Toro, my hero, at 100 per million, maybe. Nice, dude. Clay, what's your pedigree as an investor? Great knowledge and real talk. Just curious. Nick, I'm a financial entertainer. I'm an adult entertainer. So, I don't know, dude. You're just going to have to piece it together yourself, deduce it like Sherlock would, my man. Deduce it like Sherlock would, and you're going to be okay, because I don't know anything. I don't know. What about finance, dude? I'm an adult entertainer of adults. Don't have $1 billion yet. ... I love it, Pringleton. You on the same wavelength with me. 514 million shares. Dang it! I know you found me treasure. Yes, Blue Pearl. I found you treasure. Jennifer, good move. Absolutely. Trade that instrument. Oh, nah. Dude, I thought we were saying train that instrument. I'm like, you got to go look that up on Urban Dictionary, man. That's got to mean something. Watch Chris Glaze. Chris Glaze. Who's that? Who's Chris Glaze? Last night he said GME to at least 10 million per share. Dude, Chris Glaze thinks that GameStop is going to go to 10 million per share. That's hard to believe. It's hard to believe. If it went to 10 million a share and I had 5, I'd be happy with that. From 150 bucks to 10 million? Oh yeah, I'd be happy with that. Christine's average AMC is $8.89. Very nice, Christine. I love it. It says error. Account cannot trade that instrument. Now, y'all. That's really weird, man. That's really weird. Send me a picture on Twitter of that. Febro883. I want to see it. So pumped. Just listen to Margin X Boom Boom Candles. Let's go. Let's do it. AMC is going to hit 1 billion quadrillion per share. Yes, it will. We don't want hedgies. We don't want $1 million. We want $100 billion per share. Yeah, we do, actually. 100 billion per share. That's my new floor. That's what she did. That is what she did, man. Do you think some apes went to Hood? I don't think the apes went to Hood. Retail investors probably did. AMC, nice bounce. Dude, you guys laugh at these lines that I draw, but I mean, we drew this line on this green candle was forming at the time. So, it was forming at the time. If you draw the lines, the candles will follow. Xavier, my average is now 33, started at 950. Xavier, that makes me want to know, man, and legitimately, okay, how do you feel right now? And I'm not saying, like, don't get weird with it, but how do you feel right now, knowing that you're right around your cost basis? If you're ticking above and below your break-even point, how does it make you feel? Legitimately asking, not for a friend, like just asking to understand, what's going on in your mind about trading right now. Because I'm not close to my cost average right now, so I'm not worried. I don't think that I really don't care at this point how far it goes down. It's easier said than done, I know, but I just want to know, man, are you detached from the price? Do you care if it goes red? Like, what are your thoughts on it? Glowing Newness, thank you for the 100. 100. For real. Certainty. Exactly. Absolute. Benjamin. Stack. What are some synonyms for 100? Anybody got any out there that I missed? Let us know. Yes, Christine. Does anyone else find it disgusting that Hood stock is rocketing? Christine! We do. We want Hood to fall and AMC to rocket. Michael, come on, man. Don't retract your messages. I'm below my cost basis at 40, and it's nothing to me. You know why I do it live? Because you're built different, man. You're built different. But no, I mean, honestly, if you don't have so much invested into AMC that you're, like, freaking out if it goes lower, that's good. I mean, it's okay. It's okay that you don't have an equity line out on your house right now that if AMC goes lower, you're going to owe the bank $50 million. So it's okay to not have it so much invested because it makes you dangerous when you're just willing to hold no matter what. It makes you dangerous. Clay, the not caring part is what makes you a strong ape. Oh, man, it's what makes everybody a strong ape. And look, I understand that, like, if you've got if you got so much of your life savings invested into AMC, okay, but you're more likely to sell if you're worried about it. If you're not worried about it, you're good to go, man. Cino Del Toro with the more synonyms. Benjamin. I think I said Benjamin. Hold temporarily a bubble. All right. Hood temporarily a bubble. Not hold temporarily a bubble. Started at 12, bought more at 60, so now 1,500 after being up 4,500. Makes no odds. Pringleton. I like it. Coworker said he's about to take his loss if it keeps dropping. Afraid Wall Street is getting revenge for GameStop. Chris, come on, man. Does your coworker hang out in here with us? Coworker's afraid of it dropping. Come on, man. Afraid of what, dude? Wall Street getting revenge. You guys act like Wall Street is Dracula or something. Control your emotions, ladies and gentlemen. Do it. Zero emotion. All business. I like it, SM. What do we got here? You get that error from Robinhood while your shares are being transferred. Until it settles, you won't be able to trade that stock. Michael, thank you very much. Now, y'all, do you see what Michael's having to say there? I don't have Robinhood, so I wouldn't know what that error is. But you see what Michael has to say there? Now, y'all, that might be of some importance to you. Lowering my 8 bro tattoo price to 80. Nick, I thought you were like saying you're gonna lower it down to your back, like you were before you were getting your ape tattoo on the upper back. You know, where your traps are hanging out, looking good, and you just now you're lowering it. Every day that we don't squeeze, you keep lowering and lowering until we get to that lower back tattoo. I'm like, lowering the price makes sense, but I thought you were actually lowering the tattoo. I got a little bit scared as I was reading that. Oh man, Chris says no, he's an idiot, dude. Shout out to your coworker, man. Shout out to your coworker. Maybe he just needs to lessen his position in AMC and hold out with us. Tell him to subscribe to the channel and hang out with us, man. I have 100% of my retirement in AMC. God, you make me so nervous, Super Steven. Is Philip in here? Because we know Philip YOLO'd at $37. I want to know how Philip's feeling right now. Still don't care about the red days. Spent over 50 trading days between 5 to 9, so this is nothing. Apes can be soft in regards to price action. Dude, Super Steven, yes. You scare me when you're YOLOing 100% of your retirement account into AMC, but, dude, which might mean that you can retire very, very soon. Why are we at 33 again? Mena. I don't know, because that's what people are willing to sell and buy the stock at right now. This is just it. Click! When Lambo? Soon. Dude, I'm not buying a Lambo, but soon. Lambo, if you want one, soon, man. You just might as well go to the Lambo dealer right now and put your down payment on one. My price is between $3,000 and $5,000. Rick Lee, that's what I'm talking about. It's optimistic, man. I like it. How can I be sure I have a cash account on Webull? I don't know. Did you sign up for a margin account when you signed up for your account, or did you sign up for a cash account? Can you trade options? If you can trade options, you've got a margin account. Can you trade on margin? That would be a dead giveaway that you have a margin account. Wah, wah, wah. I'm holding for dear life. Matthew! You're holding for your dear life, not for dear life. Dear life makes it sound like you're ready to let go, but you are holding for your lifetime. Sell low, buy high, paper hand logic. Paul, doesn't it make sense, man? Sell low and buy high. That's how you win the game. Did you watch Matt Corey's video with Dave Lauer about dark pools and PFF? I did not watch that. I saw it. I think I was either recording my video when he started it, or I was getting my video uploaded and ready to go last night when he started it. But I remember he was 17 minutes in when I saw it come across the screen. But I don't know. I was doing something at that time, so I didn't watch it, and I haven't watched it. It's like an hour long, isn't it? Bro, buy one Lambo for me also. Sean, I'm not buying a Lambo, man. What am I going to do? Drive a Lambo around Ohio 3 months out of the year and then keep it in my garage for the other 9? 90% of my money is in AMC, cost basis $42. Not worried at all. However, I am built different. Do it live. Absolutely, man. Daddy Shampoo says, what do you say about the people that bought at 55? I bought at 12 and sold at 65, then rebought now at 33. Daddy Shampoo, I do not condone day trading AMC. Yes, you made a decent move there, but think about this, dude. If you're one of the dudes that sold at 65, we know that short shares covered roughly 17 million shares when we ran up to 65. So you very likely could have sold directly to the hedge funds covering their short positions, which is exactly what we don't want to do. Yeah, you made some good money, but that's exactly what we don't want to do. However, people that bought at $55, I think when we were going to squeeze above $55. As long as people aren't like of the mindset right now that we're losing and they're just going to give up all of their shares, then absolutely we can squeeze much higher than $55 a share. Clay, can I borrow $35? I want to buy one more share of AMC in this dip. Chad, my cost to borrow is probably higher than the institutions that'll loan it to you. So just go grab one off of a. Just go grab that borrow off of an institution, and you're probably going to be better off because my cost to borrow is higher. Forget the Lambo. Buy a what? What's a frigate? Frigate? What the heck is that? I don't even know. I respect your position, but I am not an ape. I am a trader. Yeah, Daddy Shampoo, definitely. I understand that, but at the same time, you ever trade options? You probably could have done just as well trading options, and that wouldn't have sold any shares back to the hedge funds. That's my take on day trading AMC. But yes, absolutely. If I understand people are taking advantage of the volatility, I don't like it. I don't agree with it. But dude, I can't blame you for doing it. If you're a day trader, I can't blame you for doing that. I just don't like it. Software might be in your dreams. I don't know. I missed something. Super Steven, how to compare the two? Oh, do you think the squeeze will occur similar to the Volkswagen squeeze where the volume fell low and the share price dropped very low before rocketing upward like the paper hands? Super Steven, man, it's very possible. I do want to see very low volume, though. I want to see extremely low volume. How about a friendly like? Ooh, Rate of lunch, Bulldog Trading. Yeah, man, go for it, guys. I don't care. Go swing by Bulldog's thing and like his broadcast. Go swing over here and like mine. Dude, I'm all for that, man. I'm all for that. Go jump and like everybody's thing. Dude, I don't understand, like, just click the like button on people's streams. When you click the like button, even if you don't really like it, if you just don't dislike it, click the like button because it lets YouTube know that they should be sharing that with other people, and it moves it up higher on the rank for YouTube search results. So, I mean, it's a good thing to click the like button, and it doesn't do anything bad for you. Like, it's not going to sit there and recommend my videos to you all day long if you have notifications turned off or something, but it does help. I think Texas is having technical difficulties where the numbers don't make sense. NT, it's possible. I know the Coors was saying they were having some technical difficulties earlier this morning. I seen you on a YouTube video. You're famous, bro. Can you sign my Nike Air Max? Dude, of course you see me on a YouTube video. I post YouTube videos every single day. I'm not famous, and you don't want my scribble on your Nike Air Max. Don't buy a Lambo, buy a Neo. Xavier's going for a Neo. I like it, man. Oil tipped. I just bought more, and now my average is also 1079. We are good. Margo, yes! Hot Wheels makes Lambos. Mega Shanes. Hot Wheels does. Do they make Lambos? You should probably go get one of those. Okay, fam, I'm coming. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come in here, click the like button, go in there, click the like button, do it all, guys. Make sure to just click everybody's like button. Getting frustrated, squeeze already. Do something! The first week in June was awesome. Rose Pig Cooking, the first week in June. Listen, the first week in June was awesome, but it's almost a bad thing, too, because, look, you look at the first week in June, you see this, it does look very nice. Okay, it does look very nice to watch this run up from $12 to $70, but then as soon as stuff starts to go sideways, like no pun on that one, but as soon as stuff starts to go sideways, people start to fall off, man, and I don't like when people fall off. Like if nobody sold here, we would still be moving higher. And you might argue, well, apes didn't sell. Yeah, apes didn't sell, but retail investors clearly sold. Institutional investors own 43 million more shares than they owned back on June 2nd. Okay? They now own 43 million more shares. Institutional investors own like 143 million shares of AMC. So clearly, they bought some of our shares from us. I don't like that. Don't get spoiled. So, Clay here. Love the name. Like the channel. Holding to the Red Storm. Thanks for keeping the Ape Army relaxed. Clay Miller. Thank you for having such a wonderful name. Thank your parents for me, man. I like the name. Not to be negative, but sometimes I feel like the YouTube guys make us hold so the hedgies can get the money back. Mito, man. I highly doubt that that's why the YouTube guys make you hold. But at the same time, listen, man, I'm not making you whole. But I will tell you. So, in order for the actual squeeze to occur, you have to squeeze the price higher. You have to be unwilling to sell it back. And, I mean, there's 244 people in here, man. You and I aren't really going to do anything. But if everybody is on the same page and everybody understands that if you don't sell the stock, they have to offer you a higher price before they buy it back. Like, look, if nobody's willing to sell the stock here at $33.35, if nobody's willing to sell it at that, the price has to go up. If there's no sell orders coming over, the price has to go up. If only buy orders are coming over, the price has to go up. So it's the same concept, man, that's going to actually squeeze the stock when the shorts do go to cover. Hey, click on your voter registration. It won't allow me to connect my public shares. Is there a different name that public uses for the... Jeff, I do not know, man. I do not know that. I don't have a public account. Maybe you could... Anybody in the chat know that right now? I mean, it's a decent place to ask, but does anybody in the chat know if they could help? Who the heck said that now? I forget. Oh, anybody be able to help Jeff out if they know that there's a different brokerage name or something going on for his public account to connect his shares to vote for the upcoming shareholder meeting. And looks like we've got Big Ben. What's going on, man? It looks like we got Bulldog Trading in the house right now. Clicking that like button, throwing the green hearts in the chat. Guys, make sure to go do the same for Bulldog Trading. Click the like button on his stream as well. The dude never stops streaming. I'm pretty sure he doesn't sleep. So make sure to click the like button on his stream as well. Let YouTube know that you like what is being said and going on. Yes, click that like button. 10,000 at least. Electy group. Listen, I sure hope we hit 10,000 per share. I really do. Fidelity only. You only use Fidelity? Dan, you only like Fidelity? Is that what you're saying? I use Weeble, man. Bulldog Trader. Fams unite. Yes. CDN Chinchilla. CDN Chinchilla. Bulldog fams unite, ladies and gentlemen. Much love to the stream. Just subscribed, Gone Postal. Thank you very much for clicking that subscribe button. Your name should show up here if you subscribe to the channel. I may or may not be working, though. I don't know. Ooh, Bulldog Trading says, Claybro rocks. I don't sleep. I'm holding AMC. Bulldog Trading does not sleep. He's holding AMC. He knows what to do. Make sure to go check his channel out as well, guys. Click the like button. The dude never stops streaming. I'm telling you, he's like 24,000 hours a day. Never stops streaming. And, yes. Go check his stream out. Go click the like button. Raid his channel as well. Throw those chipmunks out there. Let them know that everybody's having fun. And now, y'all, thank you for the super sticker. La cucaracha, la cucaracha, ella no puede caminar. La cucaracha, ella no puede caminar. Thank you very much. Now, y'all, for the super sticker. I appreciate that, man. Always so much fun. Big Ben, yeah. Thank you for the super sticker. Thank you for the super sticker, Big Ben. I appreciate that one as well. You are the man, guys. These are some fun super stickers. I do like these. I like them a lot, actually. So thank you very much for the entertainment, because it doesn't get boring sitting here. But man, I just need like a little exercise sitting here, and you guys made me do some karate. Yes, I like it. Big Ben, thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate it, my man. Gone Postal says, this is a tip for the dance. Thank you very much for tipping for that dance, man. I wasn't sure as I was doing it. I wasn't sure of the reaction that I would get, but I appreciate the tip for the dance, my man. And now, you guys know, if I'm getting tipped to dance, these videos are for entertainment purposes only. And we are all adults here. Those three things combined, that I entertain adults with dances and get tipped to do them, I am officially an adult entertainer. That, my friends, is deductive reasoning. Yes. Gone Postal, yes, is tipping me for the dance. I love it, guys. Juan Medina, Clay, good morning. Good morning to you. Guy LLY got a Glock. Likes it. I'm dead. Salvatore Piazza. Revive yourself, my friend. I watch you all. What do you think about Matt Kors? Mike, I was hanging out Matt Kors' stream this morning. Some things I disagree with him on, but I think I agree with the majority of the stuff that he says on there. And I enjoy it. Cassie says it's time to get hard like a diamond. Officially hard like a diamond, ladies and gentlemen. We are ready to go. Hard like a diamond and having fun today. Jason Gregory says, Bulldog fam here showing love. Guys, make sure that everybody goes and shows love to the Bulldog fam as well. Raid his stream with chipmunks and green hearts and just fun vibes and like buttons and subscribe buttons and share buttons and every other button that you can click on there except the dislike button. And maybe, is there a report button? I don't even know. But don't click the bad buttons. Click all of the good buttons on his channel. Xavier, thank you very much for the super sticker. Xavier says... Thank you very much for the super sticker, Xavier. I appreciate that, man. I like it. Dance Tendies Dance. Much love from Bulldog Trading. Jen, thank you very much. I appreciate the super chat. You guys absolutely know I appreciate the super chats. And we will dance, Tendies, dance. Dance, Tendies, dance. We will always dance with these tendies that we are making on AMC. It is still looking good, guys. It's still looking good. Whether you got in above the current price or below the current price, the prospect on AMC right now is a beautiful thing. We have more potential on AMC than any other stock in the stock market, and I love it so much. Stay hard. Yes, man. Stay hard. You get hard like a diamond, and you stay hard. Citadel shorts are stronger than you are giving them credit for. This isn't just, oh, dude, I'm giving them a lot of credit for it. I'm giving Citadel a lot of credit, man. This isn't just retail selling. This is massive shorting. Also, with big money and patience can kill the apes. I'm already seeing it now. Big DJ Productions. Yes, dude, impatience can definitely kill the apes. That's why we got to stay patient. We got to stay calm. We got to stay ready for the short squeeze. Every 23 years or every 23 years? Dan, what? Every 23 years, man. Every 23 years, then. If that's my two choices, every 23 years. That's from Super Steven, and I agree. I agree, too. If that's from Super Steven, I agree, man. The Citadel shorts are we got to overcome the Citadel shorts, dude, and we absolutely will. Stay hard, huh? Well, my ex-husband is out. Laura says, peace to the ex-husband. You got to stay hard like a diamond. Sherry Jones, thank you for the super chat. But guys, Sherry forgot to type a message. Sherry, get your message out there. We are going to figure out what you wanted to say in that super chat, and we will make sure that we shout it from the top of our lungs, because that is what we do. Sherry, copy and paste it, rewrite it, whatever you got to do, we're going to do it. I worked for the Postal Service for 23 years now, so I guess you could say yes every day. He's gone postal every single day. When we hit the moon, I'm going to buy me now for BBW 500 pound Salvatore. All right, man. All right. Okay, at least you already know. You've got a goal, man. If you've got a goal, stick to that goal, dude. Stick to that goal, and you will stay focused. Remember your why. Slightly different of a why than I, but why not try? The end is nigh. Oh my gosh, some of you guys, man, I don't even know how to react. Mr. Simon, 1111, Mr. Simon, thank you very much for the hot dog. That hot dog was delicious. 1111, Mr. Simon. I love it just like all the other hot dogs you've sent me in the past. Very good. I love this community in sick, and I love you as well. I like the Spidey mug you got, bro. Thank you very much, Shiv. I appreciate that. My mom got it for me. Shout out to you, Mom, if you're listening right now. Thank you for the Spider-Man mug. Everybody, including I, like the Spider-Man mug. Salvatore, I'll buy 5. Ooh, interesting. Kendall, with more salt. Guys, we forgot the salt on the hot dog. I don't understand why. I spill it all the time. You got to throw it over the shoulder, and then it's good luck if you get some of the salt, and you just, dude. Every single time it goes in the eye, and it burns, man. It burns. Oh, man. Golly bum. Whew. Thank you very much, 1111, Mr. Simon, for the salt. Mike, right, man. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Thank you for the super sticker, Mike Right. Thank you for the super sticker, Mike Wright. I appreciate the fist bumps from everybody out there. I love it. If you YOLO your money on AMC or GME, it's because you either believed that it would go to the moon or now you hoped it would. Either way, suck it up, princess. Hold on until it does like you thought it would. C Hill, absolutely. Sometimes Y sounds like I. Sometimes it does. Claybro getting famous on Bulldog Trading Live. Good deal, man. Bulldog Trading Live getting famous over here, too. You know why? Because, listen, guys, there's no such thing as competition, all right? There's no such thing as, well, I don't like him because this. No, man, we all share the same goals, all right? So I don't really care if you guys want to go hang out with Bulldog, if you want to hang out with me, if you want to hang out with Bulldog and me, if you want to hang out with Coors or Short to Vix or TMI or Rogue or or Jeff or Jackson or, oh my gosh, all of the other guys that are out there, Keenan or the Ape Father or Lou or anybody else that you want to hang out with, man, go hang out with them. You're going to find who you like to hang out with, and it's going to be good. Somebody felt like food eating gestures, adult entertainment, confirmed! Lee CM. I don't understand, dude. All we're doing is eating food. The super stickers are food. We eat the food. I don't understand what's wrong with the gestures. That's how you eat food. Why did you get in the first place? The squeeze. So why would you sell now? You're holding for the reason. Absolutely, Greg. I'm in for the squeeze, dude. I'm not selling until the squeeze happens. Hot dog one hand and salt shaker in the other. Man, I'm telling you. Hot dog in one hand and a salt shaker in the other. Sounds like a great afternoon to me. Mike Wright says, love your energy, bro. You got me hyped and buying more AMC. Buy AMC on your own accord, though, dude. Don't buy it because I got you hyped up, and then you're going to come down, and you're going to like manic depression states and all that stuff, and you're bipolar, and then you're going to come down a little bit later and all that. But, yeah, dude, AMC, we've definitely got the potential to do some dangerous things with AMC. Got to change the yellow line to white. White lines are stronger, Alex. But it seems to be following this white line like honey, dude. Or this yellow line like honey, man. Oh, look at it. Hold on, let's go up. No, Weeble. That's the one we want. Yeah, dude, it's just following this line right now. We're going to follow that the rest of the day until we break out. Liked and subscribed. Karen Smith, thank you very much for liking and subscribing to the channel. I don't know if she actually did, guys, because I feel like her name would be up here if she did. Karen, make sure you do click that. No, actually, I don't know. If your subscriptions are private, I don't know if it puts your name up there. So that's actually something that I would like to test, because now I don't know if it does that. Because people do say they subscribe, and then sometimes their name doesn't go up there. So that might be one of the reasons why your name doesn't go up. Not exactly sure now. In my opinion, the stock can't go any lower. Anything 10 to 25 will get bought up with quickness. The worst of it already happened. Kendall G, I mean, I don't know if that's guaranteed, but it's definitely a theory that I could get on board with, man. We're not going to find any support until mid to lower 20s if we do break down below 30, but I like the thought process that people would definitely be jumping back on in that range. Israel Rodriguez, thank you very much for the super chat. Clay, you're a real one. Capless. No hat. No hat, dude. I'm going to be honest with you, man. I'm going to be honest with you. I have no hat because I look really weird in hats, dude. I look really weird in hats. So I tend not to wear them. I don't understand why I look so weird in hats, but you're the real one, Israel. And, yeah, there's no hat because it simply, I think it just makes my head look a little weird if I'm wearing a hat. So, yes, welcome, Karen. Welcome, Karen, yes. That's Karen with an I. Get it right. That is Karen with an I. Come on now. Glider, Clay. No one is talking about how the new COVID restrictions are killing movie earning potential. Glider. We could talk about it. Even if. So here's the deal. Here's the only reason you should be concerned about killing earning potential of any sort of a lockdown or coronavirus shutdown or whatever. Is if AMC would face bankruptcy again because of restrictions. That is the only thing. At this point in time, fundamentals of AMC, revenue, debt load, all of that stuff, okay, whatever financial ratio you want to run on AMC is going to be, like, we're so far detached from the fundamental price that I'm not too concerned about the actual fundamentals of AMC. However, I don't want to face bankruptcy, and I don't think that they're at that point. I think that they could go revenue-less for quite some time and still be fine. Mike Wright says, and I can't do actual dollar eyes, so you're gonna have to screenshot it and then put dollar sign emojis on the eyes. But Mike Wright says, we've got those dollar sign eyes, ladies and gentlemen. We do. Here's some of Victoria's Secret money. Claude, thank you very much for some of the Victoria's Secret money. Does that mean that I too can go out and buy some lingerie? Claude, I know your wife was getting some lingerie. Some of it's going back into AMC. Apparently that's some of it there. But I'm pretty sure, unless I don't even know. Does anybody in the chat right now know if you can actually get something for $5 other than chapstick or lip gloss? And I actually think lip gloss might be more than $5. Can you get anything from Victoria's Secret for $5? This is a legitimate question. This is not rhetorical. Does anybody know? I'm sure some of you guys either work at, go to, have been to, or scroll across Victoria's Secret online or their catalogs. No. Darn it, man! Yes, you can. Body spray. Can I get body spray, or is it the sample size body spray? Lee's. I don't want the sample size body spray on clearance. Ooh, body spray on clearance, like the tester that somebody's already used. I can get the used tester on clearance for $5. We are all the same strength until we come together. Then look at us, because we will kick their butts. The 816ers are beat already. If you hold, they fall. Much love to all the holders. Sherry Jones, yes, much love to all the holders. We will win this if we hold together. Dude, Lee says full-size body spray on clearance for $5. Lee knows. Lee knows about about Victoria's Secret sales. I like it. Thank you. Now I'm happy, Claude. I'm gonna go grab some body spray on clearance. Must be a nice job at V's. I would love it I would do it for free. Mr. Del Toro. I'm sure there's a Victoria's Secret hiring out there, man. I'm sure there is. They might put you, like, behind the register or something, but I say go for it. Anytime. Lee! That's what I'm talking about, man. It was not a rhetorical question. I'm glad somebody finally answered it for me. Hold AMC with diamond balls because AMC is going to Pluto, baby. Ape Father rocks. Woo! AMC to Pluto. They have little trinkets near the register at Victoria's Secret. They're items you can impulse buy near the register. Kendall! See, I don't even know about these little trinkets that you can impulse buy. I'm not an impulse buyer. Will it squeeze, or they manipulate it all the way down to zero so we have nothing? Lisa, I think that they're going to have a very difficult time. Listen, okay, manipulating it all the way down to zero would only happen if we got a second lockdown across the entire world. AMC said that they were shutting down. Nobody's going to the theaters. They're completely revenueless, and the lockdown outlasts the cash supply that AMC has. They don't offer any additional shares to keep the company afloat, and they do declare bankruptcy. That is the only way that we would go to zero. And that is such a long shot that I don't even worry. Like, I don't even think about that. I don't even worry about it. So frustrated. YouTube not letting me buy super stickers. 1111, Mr. Simon! You must have reached your limit on other people's streams, didn't you, 1111, Mr. Simon? You send me the salt shaker, and then you go over and you send Matt Kors 50 salt shakers, don't you? I know how you do it. What's up, Clay Bro? What's up, Arcras? How you doing? Thank you for being here, Clay. I needed to be with some fellow apes as I watch AMC roller coaster riding down, waiting for the next hill up. Whitney, I am glad that you are here hanging out with us on this roller coaster because we are having the time of our life. Love all my fellow apes. See y'all soon. I'm going back to sleep. Will be back. Now, y'all. Enjoy your nap. Do you have a dog named Call Call? No. I do not have a dog named Call Call. Does anybody have a dog named Call Call? Dan likes the feed, high energy. Dan, I liked the fact that you like the feed and that you're in here and hanging out. Jay can also not buy. What kind of super stickers? You guys got me worried that YouTube is not letting you buy super stickers, because it sounds like you're trying to buy a scary super sticker. That I'm going to be doing something really risky. Lingerie is just a fancy French way of saying laundry. That is Victoria's Secret. Ooh. Anybody speak French? Can you confirm that lingerie is laundry in French? Because I think we might not. I don't know if this one's accurate. If it is, dude, that's some serious marketing. I like that on the part of the U.S. Jay, I'm going to go donate. Do it, man. See if it works, Jay. See if it works. Best room so far on this. Dan, I'm glad you're in here, man. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I love you. I love you too, Diffy Dog. Coco or Call Call or Coco. One of those. My dog's name is Onions. Weird name for a dog, man, but I guess dogs have weird names all the time. What super sticker are they trying to send? I don't even know, man. I don't even know what super sticker you guys are trying to send. It's crazy. It's undergarment. Undergarment. That still sounds English to me. Lisa, it all squeezed on August. AMC is sitting at 230. In October, is sitting at 460. Ishan has a map to the future. Ladies and gentlemen, Ishan has a map to the future. Follow it at your own will. It's like no lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. Follow Ishan's map to the future at your own risk. Okay, you answered by not answering. That's a squeeze will happen. Scary as... Is that a good thing, Lisa, or is that a bad thing? I don't even know. Marquis says, heck no. I don't even know what we're heck knowing at this time. Just bought 3 more shares. Now, 950. Phineas, you going quadruple digits, man? You going quadruple digits one day? What are your plans? You got plans to go quadruple? Or are you staying at 9? You're just going to go 999. Some people are OCD. Would you rather have 999 or 1,000? Which one's better? And it's one share, okay? We know it's just one share different, but like all 3 of the same digits or nice round 1,000. Bam for 1,000, nice. Clay, because I can see the future in my crystal ball. Ishan, ooh, he's got that crystal ball. Dude, if you get a crystal ball for real, if you can see the future, I'll follow you. Can you? Trillionaire. Trillionaires. Glider. We got trillionaires in here. 1,000. Let's do it. Is it going to squeeze? Lisa. If people are willing to hold. 1,000 for sure. Whitney says 1,000. Gotta be the round numbers. No 999s. Love you, mug, man. I love your mug, too. Oh, you guys are talking about the cup. I thought you were talking about my face, Phineas. Oh, man. Come on. I love your mug, man. I love your mug. But he's talking about the cup. Darn it. Crazy, man. Alright, look, we put this line on here. We can actually move this line slightly because we do have a decent trend forming here. So, we can watch this one. Let's see this. Let's see this take place, ladies and gentlemen. Luca! That is one bad-looking Mamacita burger. How big that burger is, dude. Wow, dude, that's the fastest burger I've ever ate in my entire life, especially for the size of that burger. But it was delicious. It tastes better than the hot dog, man. I will tell you, that burger tastes better than the hot dog. Luca, I appreciate that burger. I'm going to call that the Bad Mamacita burger. You guys want one of those, dude. You guys want a Bad Mamacita burger, trust me. Why do you keep ignoring my question about a squeeze? I don't ignore your question about a squeeze. It was recommended that I join your YouTube channel, but if I'm not going to get an answer, what is your question? Your question was, is it going to squeeze? I said it's going to squeeze if we are all willing to hold. If we are not willing to hold and people sell the stock, then no, it's not going to squeeze. Because how could it squeeze if we don't squeeze the supply? If we don't restrict the supply from the hedge funds, then they can go buy it back at $33.43 per share. They can go willingly buy it back at $33.40 per share. But if we do not sell it back to them, if we are willing to hold the stock, if nobody sells it back to the hedge funds, then absolutely it will squeeze higher. But you have to be willing to restrict the supply. If people do not restrict the supply, then no, it will not squeeze. I'm taking my wife to see Black Widow at our local AMC, getting my free large popcorn. Phineas, that's what I'm talking about, man. Get that free large popcorn. And then, oh, what did I see? Didn't Adam post something about any size popcorn gets free refills? Is that all month long? Or what was the deal on that I saw? You should look at that one too. Because you might want to just get if you plan on going again, and that one's only for this. But I don't know, man. It depends if you... Do you eat a full large popcorn during the movie? Because you might just want to get a smaller medium and then use your large later. I don't know. Think about that. Stop selling. Stop selling, people. Come on now. Answer Lisa before she sells. I know. I think I did answer, though. Lisa, did I answer? Or do you have a more specific question? Free large popcorn refills. Yes. But didn't he say something about free small popcorns, or small popcorns get free refills? during this month or something. I've gotten free popcorn when I watch the UFC. Nice, Giga Glider. Dude, I'm headed over to the friend's house, switching phones, so I won't be able to send any whimsical message for a while. Sorry, bro, but you'll have to carry on without me holding you up. I'll try my best, dude. I'll try my best. I don't actually know if I can carry on without you, but I will try my best. I can promise you that. And if you see me slipping, man, if you see me slipping, jump back in. Jump back in, please. Jeez, patience, yes. It's just when squeeze, not if squeeze. Some analysts say growth for 2 years. We're just starting. Yes, guys. And we're doing very well. We're doing very well. We went from $2 and we're currently sitting at $33 per share. So we're doing very well. What are your thoughts on Zilla with one voting on short interest? Steven, higher the short interest, the higher the likelihood of a squeeze, man. I don't know. I've not seen the short interest 149% on that stock, so I don't know for a fact if that's true or not. But if it is, then it's got a very high likelihood of a short squeeze. However, the thing that AMC has going for it is everybody on board with short squeezing AMC. Christopher Curdy says, Ape discount today. Make sure to go buy the Ape discount today. Christopher Curdy is making sure with that giant exclamation point that everybody knows AMC is on a deep discount for the Apes to go and buy. And we do have a nice line trending higher right now, so that's good news. And the support, like if we do fall back down through that towards the end of the day, or if we could fall back a little bit lower tomorrow, $31 to $32 range is a decent level of support that we got. At least I should click can't tell you that, and no one can give you a solid answer about the squeeze happening. Listen, man, the squeeze is up to us. The squeeze isn't up to somebody else. The squeeze is up to AMC Stock shareholders. It's as simple as that. And if we do what we say we're going to do, and by we, I don't mean the 194 of us in here. I mean everybody that's holding AMC. And I don't think that everybody holding AMC is on board with the short squeeze, but if they were, excellent. Until we get to that point, it's going to be difficult. But yes, we do have a... Listen, if we hold out, it's just like simple definitions of the short squeeze. If we don't sell it back, it squeezes higher. If we do sell it back, it doesn't squeeze higher. It's just like what a short squeeze is. AMC to the moon, absolutely. Don't fail to deliver, start counting in T-minus 35 days. Dan Brooks, not all of them. Most failed to delivers only have a shelf life of 2 days. They're T+4. So most failed to delivers are T+4, and that's the morning of 4. That's not the afternoon, like the close of the 4th trading day. That's the morning of 4. So not all of them are T35. It's T+4 for the majority of them. So yes. Nice last name, Gary. Ooh, you guys are brothers in the chat right now. In other words, we need to buy the dip and keep holding. Yeah, and if you don't want to buy the dip or you can't buy the dip, then you don't need to buy the dip. But if everybody holding AMC holds AMC, then that's like, it's just the definition of a squeeze, is restricting that supply, watching the demand come in, and the stock price moves higher because it's necessary. Wait until August 9th when you see AMC will move up as long as they show any kind of gain from last year. Robert, I do think they're going to show a gain from last year, but I don't know if we're at the point of where fundamentals that matter that much. If we do, perfect, man. Swinging day traders will get burned along the way with shorts. Hey, man, it happens. This is not going to be a thing that you're going to want to take a lot of risk on if you're trying to time the squeeze. Can someone with $1 billion please buy $1 billion worth of shares right now? Antics. Yeah, here's the thing, man. If I had the money to buy every single share of AMC, and I went out there and bought every single share of AMC, and I was the 100% stakeholder in AMC, I owned every single share, then yes, I know the hedge funds have to buy those shares back. Even if they only had to buy one share back, I could charge them infinite amount of money for that share if I'm not willing to sell. But the fact that there could be another guy that owns a share, as soon as the share goes to $50, he can decide to sell and ruin the whole thing for me. So that's the importance of everybody just holding. And it might not sound good to people who are day traders, but we gotta get them on board, man. And they haven't bought any back yet, man. And I wish that I owned every single share of AMC because I would have squeezed this thing already. AMC is quite algorithmic on the chart. Lee's World, yes, it does look very nice for technical traders. They want us to believe they did, but the price action says otherwise. Yeah, the price action's been sideways for quite some time. Besides the purpose of buying, why do we want the price to go to $31 to $31 and not stay here at 33? Chris, I guess that would be the only reason, is because you can buy it a little bit cheaper. I don't want to see it go down. I want to see it go up. Uncle Elon said he sent $3 billion to buy AMC. Eshan, good deal, man. Good deal. Elon should go out and buy AMC. Elon's not going to go out and buy AMC. Elon Musk said that the only stock that he owns is Tesla, so he's not going to go buy AMC or any other stock for that matter. I had a dream last night that there were no more shares left and we all got rich. I think I'm watching the stock in AMC too much. Doreen. Yeah, you probably are. If you're dreaming about the stock, you're probably worrying about it a little bit too much, I would say. I mean, fun dream, though. Fun dream. It's definitely a good one. But, I don't know. That's a lot. When you start dreaming about it, I've had that stuff happen before. It might be a little bit too intense. Been trying to understand the relationship between FTD and short exempts. Are they related? Oh, man. I don't know what you... Man, short exempts. I don't know, because look, the only thing, I would say, yeah, they're related, but here's the deal. All FTDs will be rectified, okay? Whether or not it's a market maker creating an FTD and they're creating it strictly for market making purposes, and then they have extra time to go out and rectify those FTDs, all FTDs are eventually rectified and delivered to the person's account. So I wouldn't get too caught up in the fact that FTDs are the end-all, be-all. Especially if you're looking at the amount of FTDs. If you look at the most recent numbers, the most recent reported date was July 14th, and it was, well, I got it pulled up on my computer right here. You just look at it. 63,943. So as of July 14th, 63,943 FTDs were in existence. That means that all other FTDs had been cleared up at that point. Do not expect the earnings call on the 9th to be a catalyst. JBs, I do not expect the earnings call on July 9th or on August 9th to be a catalyst. I expect the earnings call to be good news. I expect people to be excited about it, but I don't expect it to be a catalyst. I had to narrow the channel subscribed to. This now is the only AMC Talk channel I follow. Bro up, Chris. Bro up. Bro up. Bro up. I like it, Chris. Thank you very much for choosing me as the only AMC stock channel that you subscribe to. You can watch the other guys' videos, though. I don't have a problem with that. What is the maximum super stickers I can buy? 1111, Mr. Simon. I think that the maximum in a day for super chats, and that would include super stickers, is 500. The maximum in a week is 2,000. So I don't think that you reach that level, but I don't know if that's through YouTube, though. I don't know if it would be through, I don't know if you got PayPal linked to your bank, like your credit card linked, or what it would do for that, but pretty sure the daily limit is 500 and the weekly limit is 2,000. If I remember correctly. Clay, I know you're not into all the conspiracy talk, however, I believe that these beliefs only help our smooth-brained brothers follow his story and ultimately gives them more strength to hold. Do it live. You can look at it that way, or, see, I look at it this way, man. I truly don't believe in all of the conspiracy talk, but it's also not necessary. It's also not necessary. And it's someone that needs it. You gotta ask yourself why you think we would need all of these conspiracies to watch the stock squeeze. And what happens when it's disproved? Do they accept that? Or do they continue to cry conspiracy? I don't know. If they continue to cry conspiracy, that gets me a little worried, especially knowing that it's not necessary. But I don't want people to rely 100% on these conspiracies, and then when they realize that it's not the way somebody said it was, they jump ship. I don't want that to happen because it's not necessary to do it. The only thing that's necessary is to not sell the hedge funds the shares back. That's the only thing that absolutely is necessary. Special situation where a short is allowed on a minus tick. Okay. Oh, short exemption, just short sale exempted from an uptick rule regulation by. Okay. Dan, thank you, man. I didn't see. I was like, on an uptick, minus tick, on a down tick. Okay. And then I was like, what did he say before? So I got that. I think hedges won't cover till 30% interest, but the reverse repo is over $1 trillion. Something's got to happen soon. AMC gonna moon with all thrusters. Throttle on the hodl, ladies and gentlemen. Throw that throttle on the hodl. I'm cool. I like it, dude. I like it. But when AMC goes up, you and I control how far it goes on how far we're willing to hold. Remember that. Don't get caught holding all the way back down, but you got to remember that we control how high it goes, by how far, how long we're willing to hold out. Clay, have you bought any of the dips? Denny, yes, but I haven't bought recently. I currently have, I got some money, I got some buying power in my portfolio right now, so I'm looking, but if I was going to buy the dip, I would need to retest this level of, I got to go Big Weevil. If I was gonna buy a more recent dip, I want to test this level down here at $32 again. I want to see how that holds out. Because, I mean, these dips are nice, but this is a better level of support. And it does make a lot of sense to enter or exit a position, not exiting AMC, but in general, if you're looking to enter and exit positions, support and resistance lines are very good places to do so. If you break through this level of support as opposed to bouncing off, you just sit on your hands and you wait a little bit longer for the dip to continue. But this is more or less the place that I would be looking to enter in at if I was going to buy this dip right here. It would be the $31 to $32 range. And we're breaking down below that trend line, darn it. Kansas was speaking about regulation, about Bitcoin. Isn't that nice, man? Regulating everything that we don't need regulated and not looking at the stuff that we want people to look at. Click and explain how Fidelity shows 73% bias and 27% sales against AMC is red. I think Fidelity would be a decent barometer on sentiment. What am I missing? Yeah, taco stock. I can definitely talk about that for a second. So, 73% buys and 27% sells. It seems like we've got more buy orders coming in, therefore the price goes higher. But what if I put my buy orders in at $33 flat right now? It's trading at $33.18, but what if I put my buy order in at $33 flat? That doesn't raise the price. It's got to go down before it meets my buy order. What if I put my buy order in at $32? Same deal. So it all depends on where people are willing to buy the stock. Now, you might be thinking, why would you ever put a buy order in at $35 per share when AMC is trading at $33 per share? Well, there's a reason you would do that. Okay, if you think that this level of support / resistance right here is a decent one to hold up on, you would put a buy order in at maybe $35.75, and once it breaks that level of resistance, you jump in. So you're willing to buy it as it goes up. If you're willing to offer more and more and more for the share price goes up. If you're willing to offer less, it doesn't matter if you're buying it. If you're buying it for less, the share price has to go down to fill those buy orders. So that would be why you could see more buy orders than sell orders, but the price is still going down because people are willing to offer less money per share. Not selling a single share. Marky. Neither am I. Clay, what's for lunch? I'm eating a sandwich and thought of you. DJ Quagmire. I don't know what's for lunch, actually, man. Oh, no, I do know what's for lunch. You guys are actually going to like this one, but chicken tenders are for lunch. Chicken tenders are for lunch. I'm thinking about doing a... no, I probably wouldn't do it. How would you do that in a poll? I want to do a poll. What's your favorite chicken tenders? Not flavor, like your favorite restaurant for chicken tenders. Because I've ordered a lot of chicken tenders from a lot of different restaurants. And I do have a favorite. I want to know yours. Tendies on the dip. Yeah, I'm gonna have dip too. I think it's medium sauce, but it might be like a Golden Carolina or something. I think they messed up. I think they messed my sauce up. They messed my dip up, but definitely eating the chicken tenders. Publix is your favorite chicken tenders? Really? You having tendies for lunch? They better be worth $1,000 plus, dude. They are. They're by far my favorite tendies. They are. Canes, no one. You like Canes? I know a lot of people do like Canes. Canes always is full on the drive-thru. The drive-thru is always full there. Zaxby's Chicken Tenders, South Georgia. I've never had Zaxby's Chicken Tenders. I passed several Zaxby's in North Carolina, but I've never passed them. Whataburger with a white gravy all day. Really interesting. It's all about the sauce. Popeyes Chicken Tenders. Okay, James is on the Popeyes Chicken Tenders. Very good. I mean, they're really good. Interesting, Del Toro. Publix good, yeah. Man, you guys are on Publix's chicken tenders. Interesting. I've never had Publix's chicken tenders. Clay's having a banana mayo sandwich. Lex, I can confirm I will not be eating. No, because the bread that I have is terrible. I'm not going to eat a banana sandwich. I do have bananas and mayonnaise right now, but I'm not going to eat it on the bread that I have. It would ruin it. I'm not doing that. Oh, man. So, Publix is a winner for chicken tenders. Zaxby's, Publix, and Popeyes. I like it, guys. At least we know our chicken tenders. Whataburgers are good. You'll have to come to Texas, though. I probably would have to come to Texas. I've never even seen a Whataburger. So I can confirm 100% I've never had Whataburger chicken tenders because I've never even seen a Whataburger. Sad as that sounds. Do they have Brucey in Ohio? I don't think so. Clip Rosewet Samsung. If they do, I don't know about it. I'm probably the only vegan in the chat, but I used to mess with Popeyes. Do a lot. I don't know. There's probably another vegan in the chat right now, man. With 240 people in here, I would assume that there's another vegan in the chat. Tendertown in Cincinnati. Ooh, there's actually a place called Tendertown in Cincinnati. Natalie, that sounds like a place you and I should go. Wong's China Garden, chicken tenders, teriyaki. Denny, that sounds very good. Karen says Chuli's. Okay. Is there a Publix in Texas? I live in Florida. Del Toro wants to know if there's Publix in Texas. Brett, can you confirm? Is Publix in Texas? There's a reason Whataburger was ranked the #1 fast food restaurant in the U.S. and Whataburger is only located here in Texas, baby. Ooh! How's that possible that it ranked the #1 in the U.S.? Bulldog Trading has dancing chicken tendies. He's got a lot of stuff on his screen, doesn't he? Dancing chicken tendies. Very, it's entertaining. I like it. Jenna, still on Super Chat Core's channel. Jennifer Moffitt? Who we talking about here, Sadie? Do you know how you know someone is vegan? They'll tell you. That is a very good indication that somebody is vegan. They will tell you. Yes, taco stocks. Besides price and volatility, what are the top things to be watching for? Chris, that's the main thing, man. You want to watch short interest. In short interest, you can watch it on Ortex if you want, but you also want to watch short interest that's actually being reported. But another thing that you can be watching for is... So let's just use the earnings call, for example. If AMC is looking very healthy, then they're not going to be facing bankruptcy. So that's really the main thing that you want to watch out for on the earnings call. I know they're going to be doing well. Sentiment is going to be up. So it's not something that I'm terribly concerned about. But the only way that hedge funds win is if we give up or AMC goes bankrupt. I don't think we're going to give up. I don't think AMC is going to go bankrupt. Natalie says, Natalie, do you live in Cincinnati? We need to know. We need to know right now. We might have two Natalies that are best friends now. There's another location in Loveland as well. Dang, Natalie is on it, man. Natalie, suburb of Cincinnati, but very close. Uh-oh, did two Natalies just become best friends? I like it. False. Whataburger is located in Texas, Alabama. Oh, man. Arkansas, Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana. Ooh. That must be Is that Mississippi or Missouri? MO is Missouri. Mississippi, New Mexico, and Oklahoma, and soon, from what I hear, in Missouri. Clay Miller. Very nice, my man. You are a Whataburger champ, dude. I don't know how you know all that, but you are a Whataburger champ. Have any possibility to go up to $70 or more on August 2021? Yeah, dude, there's definitely the possibility. Same. Oh my gosh, the Natalies just are becoming best friends in the chat right now. Are you guys gonna hang out? Let me know. Are you really gonna hang out? Let me know. I need to know right now. Are you gonna hang out? Clay Miller with a Google, or he is CEO. Del Toro, that's what I'm saying, man. That's exactly what I'm saying. Either Google or CEO, or he is a Whataburger fanatic. So the price of AMC would continue to consolidate and slightly lower price because most are holding. However, not much buying, so price will tend to depreciate until most or all is covered. Mark. A decent theory, dude, but also incorrect. Most holding, maybe. If people are willing to sell at lower prices, you are correct. If people stop selling at lower prices, that is incorrect. It's only where people are willing to sell the stock. If there was no sell orders that came through at $33.40 right now, they have to offer higher prices. But yes, if people are willing to sell at $33.46, it gets sold at $33.46. If nobody's willing to sell at $33.50, they have to offer a higher price to buy that stock. Definitely Publix in North Carolina. There is a Whataburger in southern Georgia. I've seen it myself by O'Clockney. I spelled that so wrong. You probably did, but I wouldn't know. Ninja Crackhead knows there's also a Whataburger in Georgia. Whataburger in North Carolina. Yeah, dude, you guys are killing on the Whataburger. Anyone ever eat at Whataburger? I love their sweet potato tots. I've never ate Whataburger. Never ate. This chat makes me... Natalie, this chat always makes me hungry around this time. It does. It always makes me hungry around this time, and I know I should be eating. All I had to eat today was a protein bar so far, and I need to eat some more. I know I do. Clay Miller, I would love to try one. None here in Miami. Clay Miller, get a Whataburger in Miami. We know that you are CEO of Whataburger, dude. We know you're CEO of Whataburger, so you need to get a Whataburger in Miami. My dude Del Toro needs to try Whataburger. And get one in Ohio, too. I also need to try Whataburger. Is there evidence of hedge funds delaying orders? Lee's. Depends who you ask, man. Depends who you ask. I'm sure somebody's got evidence of hedge funds doing everything these days. Whataburger, Clay. Not Whataburger. Oh, Wahlburger. What? I thought we were talking about Whataburgers now. Are we talking about a different... God, what are we talking about here? Wahlburgers, Clay, not Whataburger. Yeah, but weren't we talking about Whataburgers a minute ago? Dang, man. Natalie, are you asking me to go to Wahlburger with you? Is that what you're saying? Natalie, I did have a Wahlburger when I was in Pittsburgh a few months ago. Brett! And you didn't come hang out with me? How rude, dude. Have you had In-N-Out? No, I've not had In-N-Out either. Hook us up, Clay Miller. Hook us up, Clay Miller. Come on, man. We need some Waltaburgers. Donnie makes a good burger. Donnie might make it. I was talking about Wahlburgers. Only me. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure Natalie's asking me to go to Wahlburgers. Should I go? Guys, should I go? She wants to go to Wahlburgers with me. Let me know. Should I go, or is this a trap? I need to know. Thoughts on crypto? I like crypto. Big Mac, anyone? I had a Big Mac on the way home from North Carolina. Clay, why is Hood doing so good? Because Hood and good rhyme? And that would be the logical reason for people to buy Hood, because it's good. No, dude, I don't know. People who missed out on the IPO, and by missed out, I mean specifically did not want to buy it because of all the hype that was surrounding it, are probably buying in now. Go. They say go, man. They say go, I go. If they say stay, I stay. And they said go, so I'm going. Natalie, I guess we're going to Wahlburger. Whatever the heck that is. I've never been there. Do they serve burgers? We have to go. Another great burger joint is Fuddruckers. I haven't been there in forever. If you go, make sure you leave your location on your phone. Neo Wolf. I will, man. Will you track me? Will you track? I'm a little bit nervous that Natalie might kidnap me. Public place, I'd go, if not attached. Dan Stanley, we got to go to a public place. Wahlburgers is not in your kitchen, is it, Natalie? Like this is a public place. Southern California is the best food, period. So many different cultures and amazing restaurants. Do it live. I don't know. I can't really argue with it. I don't know who has the best place. Five Guys is also good burgers. If a whale was to buy 10 million shares at this price, would it cause the stock to go up? 10 million shares? Yeah, probably. I would say 10 million shares would drive the price up. But it depends where they're willing to buy them, man. If they put a limit order in at $33 per share and they're only willing to buy those shares at $33, then the price is it's only going to get bought at $33. So I don't know if that would necessarily drive the stock up. If they just keep buying no matter what the price is and they keep throwing in ask orders, then yeah, it's more likely to drive the price up. Joe does not like garbage. He must be talking about waste management. We want to watch waste management for a while, Joe, or what? And I think J-Bones, I think he might just be talking. He wants to see the garbage. He wants to see waste management on the chart. I'm not going to pull up waste management, but waste management is actually a good stock, dude. They've paid a dividend for a very long time. If you're looking for a dividend play, waste management could be the way to go. No, I don't think I think he's just asking about a garbage stock, man. I think he's asking about a garbage stock. White Castle is nasty. I also have not been to White Castle in a very long time. Bought 6 more shares today. Hodl Ted, that's what I'm talking about. Waste management is when you sell a dream to your subscriber. No, waste management is actually a waste company that disposes of the garbage that people put out on the curb, and they do have a very nice dividend that they've been paying for decades now, and it's also something that you should look into. I think it's nice. Del Toro, I don't know if he is, man. I think he just wants to talk about the company Waste Management, and it's really weird that he would come in here with it. Not too many people talk about waste management companies. YouTube pay me well, I see. Joe, thank you. Thanks to guys like you who jump in the live stream and watch the ad before you jump into the live stream. I thank you very much for doing that. Appreciate that. He lives in a garbage can. Oscar the Grouch, come on, man. Joe, you don't live in a garbage can, do you? Waste management is corrupt. Pay politicians. Del Toro does not like waste management. Oh, no. The real jam is Whataburger's Honey Burger. Ooh, they got a honey butter chicken biscuit served only between 11 p.m. and 11 a.m. Clay Miller knows way too much about Whataburger to not be the CEO. We're calling you out, Clay. We're calling you out, man. Real talk, how is Subway still in business? No offense to Subway eaters. I don't know, man. I don't know. Clay, you missed his comment about you selling people a dream to get politicians. I don't know, man. I'm not selling anybody a dream to get politicians. I actually don't really like politicians that much. Subscribers. Oh, subscribers. No, I do. Like, Joe, Lewis, Mr. Lewis, I do want more subscribers, okay? Like, I don't have a problem with people watching my videos. And yes, YouTube puts an ad on the front end of a live stream. Like, I don't have a problem. Now, you shouldn't really have a problem watching an ad either. But no, man, it's not a dream that you're selling here. It's very real that in order for AMC to squeeze, we need to do what we say we're going to do. It's not guaranteed. If you got one share, you're not going to walk away with $1 zillion. And it's a short squeeze play, man. So if we want to talk about short squeezes, we can talk about short squeezes. And I also appreciate the fact that YouTube goes out, does a lot of work to find advertisers, to put advertisements on videos. And I don't understand why you have such a problem watching an ad, dude. Natalie, fake chicken and tuna. We don't need any fake chicken or tuna. Come on, Subway. I don't think Clay has ulterior motives. It's good for apes if his channel grows. Dude, Stan, I'm okay. Like, I don't have a problem telling you guys that I would like more subscribers, okay? It's not a bad thing. I tell you to subscribe in the video. Why wouldn't I want more subscribers to the channel? Clay, are you doing this for free? I thought this was your job. Do I need to call the labor board? Come on! Call them, man. Call them. Man, I don't understand why people have so many problems with YouTube putting ads on people's videos. Sad we eat fake food these days, like Soylent Green. I don't know what Soylent Green is, but dude, I don't like fake food, man. I'm so hungry right now. I would eat fake food right now. That's how hungry I am, but I don't want to. Oh, Joe, come on. Went to college in Dallas. Many late-night Whataburger runs after the squeeze. We are expanding our locations and our attendee options. Yes, dude, exactly. But, Clay, let us know, dude. Are you part of the executive team at Whataburger? No, he's just like a franchise owner. Clay is a franchise owner. That is why he can confirm that he knows about the locations and the soon-to-be location in Missouri. He owns Whataburgers in all of those locations. He's not CEO, we know. He's a franchise owner, and he's doing very well. Soylent Green is a movie about new food no one knows. Ugh, it's human meat, dude. What? Damn, that sounds disgusting, dude. Human meat. I wouldn't eat human meat. Even if it tasted good, I wouldn't eat it. Joe, would you sit in front of a computer for 4 to 8 hours a day as a job for free? Because oil tipped. I do have a lot of fun doing it. I do have a lot of fun. Like, I don't know if I would do it for 8 hours unless I was having a blast, but I do have a lot of fun doing it, man. But you guys know it's nice that YouTube puts ads on the videos. You guys do know that. Clay, do we party after the squeeze? Send me the invitation so I can come, USA. Eshan. Yeah, man, backyard party, but only green names get the food at the backyard barbecue. I can't go back on that offer now, okay? I can't go back on that offer. If I give food to everybody, it's just not fair because we already said that only green names get food. Famous line, it's people. Ugh, dude. I don't want to eat any human meat. I really don't. But you need to pay the bills as well. Yeah, dude, people do need to pay the bills. The less bills you have, the better, but people do need to pay the bills. The door has been open all afternoon. I can assure you that the air conditioning bill is going to be more expensive because I have a chipmunk who likes to jump in and out of the house. It's roughly $50 more expensive because of the chipmunk. I pay $50 a month more in air conditioning bills because I let the chipmunk come and go as he pleases. So, if you were wondering about a wild chipmunk and you were wondering about leaving your door open all day long, that's roughly what it would cost. Ohio's not that hot, but still. Now you at least got an idea. We hold. Yes, we will. Will it take 8 more months before the squeeze? Mark, I hope not, but I have no idea. I don't understand why the price keeps dropping. Electi Group. Because people are not willing to buy the share at higher prices. I'm chilling with Chip Bro. J Bones, man. I did see Chip Bro this morning. He only took 1 mouthful of seeds. Point of view, you just pull up to 8 Fest. And we are only serving grilled eggplant. Sounds like a weird menu item, grilled eggplant, but I guess people like it. Do it live. Would you eat that? Too many have no chill at all. Damn, I know, man. Why you got no chill? Come on, guys. If you want real food, come to the Houston Rodeo Cook-Off. No food in this country can compete, I would assume. None. Antics. When is that? That sounds really good. I know it sounds very good because I'm hungry right now, but it does sound good. So I hear we're going to probably squeeze next week as the market starts to crash. AMC will do the opposite. Candy, if that happens, I'll be very happy. Hold till at least August 10th. Hold till at least August 10th, guys. Yes. Grilled eggplant is awesome, but that's not the only thing that I would want to serve at my backyard party. Natalie, 14 days in county. Have you taken the days off yet? If not, dude, you're just going to have to eat a ton of bacon grease in the next 14 days so that you get this year at work. Just a hashtag, folks. Calm, cool, and collected. Let's go. Earnings call coming out and will go up after. That's when the market crashes. This will go up. Candy, I like it. I hope it happens. I can wait until August 10th. I can tell you that. Been doing my DD like crazy on this. I like it, Candy, but here's the deal. If it doesn't happen, don't get flustered. Don't get worried. Don't give up. If you're asking why the price is dropping, you might want to turn your phone off and come back later. Or turn it upside down. Then the price is probably going up, right? If you turn your phone upside down. Oil tip, nah, I can't leave my 3 doggies. Sorry, guys. Well, Natalie, you go to work every day. My plan is to eat a ton of bacon grease and hang out with you at work. That's my plan. And then afterwards, we can go to Wahlburgers. Because I need my money this time. I need my money. Time is not on my side, so I pray this happens soon. Candy! Me too. I really do. I hope it happens soon, but I don't really know when it will. Don't you hate when you're on the phone with earnings and margin calls at the same time? I do, man. I do. When I'm on the phone with earnings and margin calls, I'm like, stop calling right now. I just link them in, though. I think earnings is on the 10th. Earnings calls on the 9th. Earnings calls on the 9th. Need some bacon candles. Yes! I forgot to tweet that I forgot to look and see if I still have that picture on my phone to tweet out. But Natalie, will you be there in spirit? Oh, dude, Natalie's always here with me. So, definitely, she's going to be there in spirit, dude. Make popcorn in bacon grease. Ooh, I make popcorn every single day. I have never tried it in bacon grease. Man, Sergeant Bologna. Natalie, I did not look. I should have looked, but I forgot to look yesterday. Dude. Sergeant, that never even crossed my mind, man. I need to try that for real. Hey, Clay, bro. I'm just hedging my position with these low prices. Hey, Yalamed, I like the fact that you are buying these low prices, man. Eating those dips up. I know it's hard. I hope everyone can hold. Candy, I can definitely hold. Natalie equals Bananally. Bananally? Natalie Bananally? Natalie Bananally. I like it. Taco socks. Natalie Bananally. Good deal. Swing and a miss! I still liked it. Natalie Bananally? Natalie Bananally? I bought 3 more. Sweet Connie. Very nice. I'll come to the USA. Business class. Sean. Business class. All the way to the US, dude. Get on one of those planes that has a bed. You just get your whole thing. Dips are the best. Neil Wolf. People get scared of dips, but not us. Ishan. You'll be able to buy the whole jet. Yeah, dude. Buy the whole jet. And then bring all of your friends over to the US. 3 more AMC and a pint of gin. Oh my gosh, you guys are great. Let me see how much percentage we have. Give me a second. Oh man. Oh wow, we're still cooking here. What do you guys want to do? Let me ask you what you want to do. You want to stay till 2? I think we got enough battery to stay till 2. What do you want to do? Hot dog tacos for days. J Bones. Hot dog tacos for days, man. What is a hot dog taco? Ooh, today's Taco Tuesday. Hey, if any family members are in the chat right now, are we doing Taco Tuesday today? Let me know. Just bought a little more, adding slowly, but adding for sure. DD214. Very nice. I want to eat Chinese. Sweet Connie. I say go for it. Stay till 5. There's no way I can stay till 5. I can't even stay till 4 unless I charge my phone. If we stayed till 4 or something, I'd have to take a break right now and charge up for a minute. If we came back. If we did come back, I'd have to stay till, like if I was going to do power hour or something, I'd probably have to break now and charge. I'm making enchiladas tonight. Nice. Stay till PM opens tomorrow. Dude, you want me to stay until the pre-market opens tomorrow? Neil Wolf. I mean, if we were ripping right now and AMC was $500, I might consider something like that. I'd just go grab some pre-workout or something, and I think about doing that. But not at $30, dude. I can't do that at 30. There's no way. There's no way I could do that. Take a break and come back. Natty says take a break. You guys want to hang out until, like, do a close then? Do like a 3 to 4 or another 3 to 5 to see what goes on? Phone chargers work miracles. Just J Bones. I know, but my Samsung still thinks it's wet, dude. I can't charge. I can only charge it on the wireless charger, and I can't put the wireless charger on the ring light. Ross, sei Clay, bro. I've been away for a bit. Work responsibilities have taken, mas eu ainda estou aqui. Você ainda está aqui? Perfeito, Ross. Estou muito feliz que você está aqui, mano. Good. Hope all is well. Tudo bem. Tudo bem, Ross. Tudo bem. Yes, 3 to 5. I think it depends how much it charges up, but I think I can probably get away with a 3 to 5. 3 to 5. All right, listen. If everybody says 3 to 5, let's take a little break and let's come on back then. All right. Good. Let's do it. What up, Clibro? We're going to come back. We'll try to do a 3 to 5. We'll at least do 3 to 4. We'll try to do 3 to 5, but it also depends on if everybody else wants to go to Taco Tuesday or not, what time they want to go to eat dinner. Sweet, sweet Connie with the little bro. As we leave right now, guys, I want to see 180 welcome Sweet Connies in the chat right now. Sweet, sweet Connie, thank you for getting that green name. The green names are so much easier to see. I'm telling you right now. Clay, enjoy your quesadilla. Natalie, I do have stuff to make a quesadilla. No, I'm eating chicken tenders. I forgot. I'm eating chicken tenders. I'm not going to put those in a quesadilla. I'm going to eat the chicken tenders. Ishan does not like Citadel. Sweet, 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 sweet. Welcome, Connie. Yes, welcome, Connie, to the green names. Welcome to the little bro. I love it, guys, when everybody gets those green names. It's so nice. It's beautiful. Probably doing 3 to 6. Dude, there's no way. You're probably doing 3 to 6. There's no way I could do 3 to 6. I don't think it would. I don't think my charger would last that long. Have you mentioned anything about the website that Adam Aaron supposedly wants people to go to count shares or something? Papa Mac. Yeah, I talked about it, but listen, Papa Mac. We'll talk about it a little bit more at roughly 3. We're gonna take a little break and come back. I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna try and do a power hour and maybe hour after the close. So we can check that out. SD even says, hi, Connie. Welcome, sweet Connie. Dude, don't you just love it when people who aren't sitting in the chat typing all this stuff comes in out of nowhere and welcomes the new members? That makes me happy, guys. It really does, that you're sitting in there. You take enough time to type that in the chat and say welcome to the members. I really do like that. So, guys, let's get some shout-outs out there. We're going to eat some chicken tenders for lunch. We'll be back for a power hour, possibly 2-hour stream at 3 o'clock. That's an hour and 45 minutes, so mark your calendars if you don't get a notification. And, yeah, let's get some shout-outs out there, and we will be back, guys. George, shout-out to you, oil-tipped, as always, man. SD, sweet, sweet Connie. Nazy, Enriquez, I like it. Good name. Papa Mac, come back. We'll talk about the website. Sergeant Baloney, Neo Wolf, Taco Socks, Parvez Kamal. Being shorts been covered yet? Not yet, mom, man. DD214, later gang, Mark Strancy, J-Man with the Thank you very much for the weight, dude. We're going to hit that weight up to get that pump on, and hopefully everybody has a wonderful afternoon. Natalie, see you soon. See you soon, Natalie. You know I will. Come on now. Lisa, see you in a bit, guys. Absolutely, Mark. Wow, come on, click live and you hear me. Oh, man, Mark, it's terrible. But we will be back, so come on back. We're going to have some fun. Until the neckbeard, you already know what it is, Neo Wolf. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.